wanjye mambo vipi muntu uzi kuri umusirimu wifitiye imodoka yawe buriya ntugapfe kujyana imodoka ahantu ubonye ariko uzi kuri umuntu usobanutse cyane imodoka mu kinamba kigezweho cy'ubwenge kandi nagaruka kuvuga ngo ibiciro birahambaye ya ni ibintu bisanzwe ariko imodoka bakayikoraho rikaka ibaze ko aho hantu icyamamare nanjye ariho njyana zimwe zanjye agarima New Class Car Wash.
Iki nicyo kinamba cya mbere muri Kigali mu koza imodoka mu buryo bugezweho modern car washing. Dukoresha machine kabuhariwe nka high pressure machine, polishing machine, high pressure steam machine n'izindi nyinshi. Imodoka yazirabutswe isohoka irabagirana. Kuri za moteri ho umurabyo uratinda, turazoza zigasubira ibushya. By'akarusho kandi dusimoniza irangi ry'imodoka igasubira n'ubwiza bwayo. Kuri wowe ufite amatapi yaba yo mu nzu, New Class Car Wash niyo gisubizo. Ku bindi bisobanuro mwadusanga i Remera ku Gisimenti ku muhanda wa KG 176 ku gipangu cya 27. Kuri telefone waduhamagara kuri 0788 506 338. New Class Car Wash.
New Class Car Wash mwayibonye ariko aha bantu bangereho waba wibereye hose buriya ndakeka umaze iminsi mubibona wigira muri telefone yawe muri Google Store sibyo
n'urubuga
downloading application yitwa Kiku muri telefone yawe
App Store kwakoresha iPhone cyangwa se Play Store kwakoresha
smartphone downloading application bita Kiku aho basha kwitumira ibintu byiza cyane ndetse ibikoresho by'ubwenge icyo wakenera cyose mbega ni nk'isoko uhahiraho wibereye iwawe sibyo uretse uzubirebe neza witonze turebe filime yacu downloading application utange command mbega ubumeze nk'uri guhaha utavuye iwawe kandi kuri make
urwo rubuga ukoresheje App Store kwakoresha iPhone cyangwa se Play Store kwakoresha smartphone Android. Ukimara ku downloading application yawe ushobora gukanda open kwa registra cyangwa se kwiyandikisha kugira ngo uhitemo igihugu uhitamo u Rwanda kugira ngo currency bijye mu Manyarwanda ugakoresha account yawe igomba kuba nimero ya telefone kugira ngo utazayibagirwa kuko password yo wanibagiwe twayi retrievinga ugakreya tuvuga urugero create iyo ushaka kugira ngo umuntu ari nk'umuntu ugufashije gukora creation ya account yawe ushaka gukoresha friend code yiwe tuvuga urugero iyi ngiyi ni friend code y'umuntu uramwumvise aho ushobora kubona iki gikapu 20% byavuyeho kuri price yari isanzwe. Iyo ushaka kugura product uyikandaho ugakora buy ugahitamo mbere na mbere niba bakoresheje amabara ugomba guhitamo urugero nahisemo grey nkemeza bakubaza verification code utegereza kugira ngo bukohereze ubutumwa bugufi bwemeza ko iyo nimero ari yawe uzajya wakiraho ubutumwa babunyohereje 1905 kemeza then ugakora confirm uhitamo mobile money kepe uhitamo ari uko ari amafaranga bagusubije y'icuruzwa wenda utashimye amafaranga yasuza kepe ushobora kuhita wishyura ukoresheje kepe ariko ubusanzwe wishyura ukoresheje mobile money ugahita mobile money ukanda pay ukuzamo nimero ya telefone biroroshye cyane nko kubikuza bahita kuzaniraho ahantu ho gushyiramo rimwe ukemeza bakakuzanira space bar yo gushyiramo pin number yawe ukemeza then iyo uguze igicuruzwa kijya muri transit ukagitegereza iyo wagerageje kukishyura kukigura ariko ntukishyure kijya muri pending payment feedback ni igihe amaze gutwara igicuruzwa.
we downloading muri Play Store application yitwa Kiku ubashe guhaha wibereye iwawe utahavuye sibyo mambo vipi kokonje akabagereho mwese ni Platini ndaje twiriritsi bakisa gute bakisa debt collector n'umwishyuzi nuza kwishyuza mbega nizo nshingano ze. Kuki filime bayise gutyo? Iki ni igice cya kabiri. Abakinnyi ni ibyamamare. Scott Adkins, Louis Mandaila, icyamamare nakigaruye. Bimeze bite rero? Jye wumva ndacyari namba uno hirya iyo nino. Narakubwiye ngo biriya bintu umuntu aza agafata filime akayica agashinyagurira n'umurambo wayo, ntabwo biriya bintu nzongera kubyihanganira. Rocky w'Imana nzajya manuka nwike. Okay, uyu musore nawe akubwira ati kutagitwika bite Veronica. Karimbo ni Veronica, ni Platini P. Kabagereho mwese. Okay,
Veronica,
mambo vipi?
wibwiraga yuko nugenda ukansiga bazanseka. Yamashakaka yawe yagiye my dear
Veronica.
Yamababa yatuma kukuruka ese yarafu
atasigaye abona ninja amashagaga yari ifite yarashize
my dear. Yamababa yatuma kukuruka ese yarafutse.
Okay,
ese za champagne wamenaga nizabaye inzagwa.
ati za champagne wawaga zabaye inzagwa.
Ibyo sinamabanga.
Okay,
Snapchat, Instagram, na post nyibona
ntugitwika ubundi hano.
Chat, Instagram, na post nyibona ntugitwika.
Kureba debt collector.
Pero hola, kona kubona wabandi bari.
Mambo vipi?
Wakonje.
Kuwa konje.
Kowa konje. Uriye. Kowa konje.
Debt collector.
Kowa konje.
Zimeze bite?
Konawe isi yakuzengurutsa.
Ati Veronica isiri kumuzengurutse yari yarigize nabi. Mbega yakatiye iki cyamamare Platini.
You know I'm a bad boy.
Bad boy.
Oh na na na. And I know you can't deny. Icyo nari nkumari urakizi. Nabagushutse nabo barazi.
Yajyaga aremera iyo ninja.
Mu kibuga wabanzagamo 11 n'uburemo. Kuri bench sinyikubona.
Ibaze kuba warabanzaga mu kibuga no kuri bench ukaba utakihaboneka. Urumva urwego ibintu byagezeho. Ni Platini P.
Mu kibuga wabanzagamo.
Okay,
11 n'uburemo. Kuri bench sinyikubona.
Kabagereho.
Kuri bench sinyikubona. Snapchat, Instagram, na post nyibona ntugitwika.
Ntugitwika.
Post nyibona ntugitwika.
Okay,
Pero hola, kona kubona wabandi bari. Ko wakonje. Ko wakonje. Uriye. Ko wakonje. Ko wakonje. Sinarinzi ko nawe isi yakuzengurutsa. Ko wakonje. Ko wakonje. Uriye. Baba. Wenjo baba. Hey yo P. Sinarinzi ko nawe isi yakuzengurutsa. Ko wakonje. Ko wakonje. Uriye.
ko wakonje Veronica. Turgisi. Nuko tugatangiye. Bimeze bite rero? Narakubwiye ngo filime yahuye na Rocky agaho kaba kahuye n'umunyutsi. Bimeze bite rero? Nuko tugatangiye. Ndetse ngo muri filime ni ikibuga ngeramo nkiciramo n'amagini. Icyamamare nkimanukira. Kandi sinajya kuza imbere y'abantu banje. Icyamamare ntateguye ngo nwike. Filime irangira nimanukira. Ariko manuka icyababwira iyo ndambitse mikoro hasi. Ndamanuka koko. Manukana amafiyeri. Narababwiye ngo ningera utwitsi mukuru mu Rwanda. Ndatwika. Abandi bose uzabona batwika ni abanyigana. Bimeze bite rero? Nuko dutangiye filime yacu. Bakazanye ni bandi? Ni United bikazanye ngaba DJ Kabagiro mu gacuruze fresh ku gihe. Ifatanije na Rock Entertainment na True Art Entertainment. Ndetse muri hangano minsi mikishize arigiye mwabuze filime ho gato. Cyamamare rega ntaga. Ese ninjye utarwara. Ibaze ko nari ndwaye tuntu tw'uducurane tworoheje shawo. ako nyine abaganga banjye bakambwira ati Rocky ntiwemerewe nyine akarwara gato koroheje icyamamare ikipe ishinzwe kumvura ntabwo cyatuma mfata mikoro bimeze bite ariko mugiye kujya mubona filime ku bwinshi ndetse nabazaniye savimbizo na zozo kuri filime nyinshi cyane zivuye muri Rock Entertainment ndaje no twica amagini na United filime zibagereraho igihe kandi ku bwinshi sibyo ngo namwe umusanzu wanyu mutanga fresh nk'ibisanzwe twikorera akazi wana tuve mu bintu byindi by'amatiko hey abantu bica filime rero bagashinyagurira imirambo y'izo filime nabyo ibi bintu byabo ngiye kubisubiramo bimeze bite rero nari narababwiye ngo nyuma ya corona nibwo nzatangira gusobanura filime reka noneho nze mbibakorere Compound B presents na Rock Entertainment na United na True Art Entertainment umwe ku mubumbe nimanukiye bimeze bite rero aka gafilime karimo ibyamamare Scott Adkins Mutebu aratwika Louis Mandailor uyu we ni icyamamare kuva na kera muramuzi ukiniye Saints and Sinners Debt Collectors n'abishyuzi Vladimir Kulich muramuzi ndaza kumube uyu mugabo aratwika hano wari udutangiranye ku gashati ke kuri tatuwaje ku kirombe mu ntoki dore uburyo atambura duraga kwitu dore ubwibone dodododo afite uburyo agenda abakobwa bagahindukira mbega boga hari wagira ngo ni Rocky duhuye kuri iyi ninjiye muye nazo ziba ziri baduraga kwitu n'ufite amafiyeri do hewana ngiyewe ariko nta uramubona ariko uramubona kandagira ubutaka butoneka ni nani dutangiranye nawe Marina Sirtis nawe karimo afite buryo kigenda munyine afite agashati ku buryo agashati kakagurishije yagura ikibanza Nyarutarama hey urumva urwego ibintu bye bimaze kugeraho umugabo uri hano dore ikirombe ku kaboko arabanza reba ku gapapuro uyu mugabo ninde nuko tugatangiye wumva ndacyari umwe ku mubumbe filime we yananjagaho kahuye n'umunyutsi akunini dutangiriye mu kabari hari abantu ku manywa baranywa wamenyemo amafaranga ni Scott Adkins uvuze ngo iyi filime niye ntago ari bya bindi baba bamukoresheje yamenyemo umufungo urumva inyungu nayo ni nyinshi Louis Mandailor nakubwiraga ubona ariko yinjiye hano umugabo yinjiye hano katorore ari na Rikiros umupampe nzanira ko kunywa iyi filime yazanywe n'umupampe bita nde DJ Bullet Mambo VIP nawe ndagusuje n'abakiriya bawe kuri 40 DJ Bullet ni icyamamare umugabo yicara hano mu kabari kunywa rega ntago bigira amasaha ni mu kabari abantu baranywa byeri ziranywebwa hano hari uri kurira muki muri hangana sibyo muri hangana
You know, one make it a diet.
Yeah, I gotta check if we have that.
Okay, you do that.
Beer.
bise biti hano harabari guserera hari uwo bagwiriye Scott Adkins baramugwiriye icyamamare ntacyo ubikoreho ureke kurwana sorry hands
Harry Styles, this don't concern you.
ntabwo bikureba
He kicks 7 shades of shine out of each other floor.
umva nimba mushaka kurwana mujye kurwanira hanze ntabwo mbyitayeho cyangwa se mutume nanjye mbijyamo
You think you are?
cye kuri iki
Don't do it.
ntubikore
Now listen, mate.
nyumva
Calm down, okay? You see him?
uramubona uriya
Guy. His name's Irv, and that's
bamwita Harvey ni boss wanjye
strict instructions. I've got to take
ejo bundi yamaye amabwiriza
inside the premises, okay?
ko urugomo rwose no kurwana bigiye bira hanze uyu ni bouncer w'aka kabari
Cause a bit of damage and...
ubushize nakubise abantu ibintu birangirika
Okay, so please.
mubwira ko nzahinduka rero musohoke nanjye ndagize utwo kurya twa mu gitondo baramuseka
And lads,
ni abasinzi
match is faggy English.
mugingo uburyo avugamo icyongereza wagira ngo
We did 100.
ni umwongereza batangira kumutuka
250 years.
gusa ibyo twabakora imyaka ijana ishize
Isn't it?
imyaka 250 ahubwo
Exactly a fair fight back then, was it?
It was us,
abongereza n'abanyamerika
and we kicked
twebwe abanyamerika twari duhanganye namwe abongereza
all the way back.
twarabakubise tubambutse inyanja ya Atlantique
I'm crying.
mwagiye murira musubira ku mwamikazi wanyu w'ibeach.
Well, it wasn't a queen.
ntabwo umwamikazi rero uyoboye ubwongereza icyo gihe yari umwami
King George III to be precise.
King George wa gatatu.
I expect you lot to know that. I mean,
ese ubundi abantu nk'amwe
in your life, have you?
ntabwo menye murasoma igitabo na kimwe mu buzima.
Treat yank fucks. So you had help from the Spanish, the French, oh, and the Dutch.
ati njye nshobora kuba ndi umufaransa ndi umwespanyolo namwe ntabwo muzeho muri nyine abanyamerika usanga igihugu ari cyarahuwemo n'abantu benshi.
I fucking like these odds. Because like good old King George always used to say,
umwami cyo gihe avuga ngo ngwino nawe duhangane nimba mubishaka abantu baracuranga. Hey nambara yarareba. Hey uyarareba sore fite buryo cyabangutse mano katurare. Kick tera punch punch. Mutebutsi namuzanye. Basinzi baje kunywera mu gakungu bounce akabara cyarakubita. Sore double kick mbese biti. Yeah abacuranga baracuranga nicyo bahemberwa. Punch pok pok pok. Mugwe hiri kimugwiri nyuma yawe Frenchy nyuma ye giti. Katurare kibando cya biyari.
cheers mate, I gotta do some.
Cheers mwana urarenze pe uracyatwika. Baraziranye ava mu gice cya mbere. Punch punch ntebe. Hey sore kura menyo poko punch. Yeah
I thought you were dead.
natekereje ko wapfuye.
Don't you believe me? A story for another.
nanjye naketse ko wapfuye mwana kigoryiwe.
Outside French.
sohoka mu French we sohoka mwita French.
I love this fucking place.
hano nakunze cyane.
Don't do this, okay? I need this.
mwana bino wibikora boss yaje kumutonganya nyirakabari ni bounce yakubise abana mene bintu.
That doesn't have to be renovated.
umva nyine club buri cyumweru batazajya baza gukuvugurura bongera bagura ibintu mwabyangije.
Sure. And your unpaid bar tab.
uyemo ibintu wangije by'intebe ndakwishyura 80 utahe ndakwirukanye. umusore baramwirukanye.
Find someone else to scrape up.
bana handi muntu wabona ukora akazi neza nkanjye nkanyumva mwana nuko bose baba bavuga. vayo
It's nice to see that things working out for you, pal. I'm very happy about
yiza kubona ibintu bimeze neza hano mwana.
it. You know what it's worth if you want to finish
barabagenga kubise byari bikwiye.
place next door, maybe.
nimba tuko kurya twe twa mu gitondo utatumaze tugende ngugurire.
Since you got no job no more.
ubwo nta kazi ugifite wakwirukanye ndakugurira. baraziranye
Come on, French.
tugende ngukarage French. ujye kumukaraga utwo kurya twa mu gitondo.
Just French, by the way.
mani ibyo kurya ugiye kungura biraba ari iby'abafaransa ariko baje kurya. sorry ifite ukuntu cy'ibintu kamenamo ibintu ukabona biteye isesemi. uyu biramubangamira iki kigoryi.
I can't believe it.
ntabwo nabyizera.
Well, they sat right here in front of me.
ntabwo nakwizera kunyicaye imbere.
Oh, you were gonna.
naketse ko wapfuye mwana.
Believe me, I was
nyizera mani.
like 2 times on that slab. Yeah?
bandashe inshuro zigera muri 3 n'ubundi nari meze nkaho napfuye.
I may probably wouldn't be here right now.
iyo bitaba Tommy ntabwo nari kuba nkiriho.
Yeah. Got shot up pretty bad, Frenchie. Stomach. Vertebrae.
bandashe mu nda mu rubavu
Can you imagine?
no hasi y'ibihaha.
Actually, got to leave one in near my spine.
mani byansizemo n'imvune ikomeye cyane.
Well, kudos to you, mate, because, you know what?
urabizi
As zombies go, you're looking alright.
genda ubona usa neza ariko.
So where's my coat?
imodoka yanjye iri he?
Oh, I'm fine, see. Don't worry.
meze neza su.
Took. Yeah, thanks for asking.
nanjye narakomeretse ariko meze neza. ntabwo ari ibyo nkubaza.
Oh, come on, Frenchie.
Frenchie
How you doing, really? I'm sorry, just... How you doing?
babare ariko umeze uti?
I'm pretty good.
meze neza.
So 2 in the chest, 1 here.
bandashe hano nanjye irindi hano.
I don't know how, but somehow I managed to crawl back to the car, right, and drive...
ndagenda nkambakamba ninjira mu modoka nijyana kwa muganga.
Right. I mean, I've seen a soldier shoot himself in the foot, and he...
nibonye umusirikare wirashe mu kaguru arapfa
Sana.
ariko ibaze ko njye bandashe kabiri mu gatuza simfi.
It's a fucked up thing.
mana urumva ukuntu ibintu byikora.
I had to blag the police at the hospital, though. Told them. My gun went off whilst I was cleaning it.
nabwiye abapolisi kwa muganga ati narindi guhanagura imbunda ndirasa urabizi ugiye kwa muganga nyine warashwe bagomba kumenya warasiwe he.
So was my coat.
imodoka yanjye ariko iriya yakomeje kuba imoso yakabisimbuka.
Shoot out that loving bedside manner of yours, did they?
yarongera asimbuka ikibazo. umva turavuga ku modoka yanjye iri hehe.
Consoled that, can't they?
imodoka yo narayigurishije. wakoze ibiki?
With what?
wegurishije nande kubera iki hehe?
With shop, didn't they?
imodoka yo narayigurishije hahandi bagura amapiyese bayiguze mu piyese bayicagaguyemo.
Listen, that was like a bullseye for every...
man icyo gihe nzi ko wapfuye.
So I flogged that thing.
muri East Los Angeles nagomba kuyigurisha none nagurishije.
Did you sell this
wegurishije angahe?
vehicle for?
iriya modoka yari ihenze.
That was about 6 grand.
ibihumbi 60. ibihumbi 60 mwana. iriya modoka yari yambaye cyane kungurishiriza imodoka ibihumbi 60. arasara.
I am sorry.
mutubabarire
Control my problem.
byose bimeze saa mutubabarire bari basaze. imodoka ye barayiriye.
You're unbelievable.
man ntabwo nabyizera pe.
Like this tone.
ibyo bintu uri kuvugana nubwo ndi kubyumva.
I haven't got a fucking time. You do. I come as a friend. I catch the bus to come and see my friend. I come on.
Banaje nje kureba inshuti yanjye warangiza ukambwira bino bintu byose.
Mate, come and get your precious coupes.
man wateze bisi uzi kuje gutwara imodoka ye ngo yaje ateze bisi nicyo cyamubaje yaje muri shira umuteto.
He's got a job for us. 2 days, 3 bigs. We're in, we're out. What do you say?
hari akazi nanone nari nkuzaniye ko kujya kwishyuza abantu batatu bano bitwa ba debt collectors bo bajya kwishyuza.
Okay.
wa muntu nyine wakwambuye urabatuma bakagenda bakamukubita bakabazanya amafaranga yawe. bano bantu mushinga iyo koperative tubaha akazi so abantu banyambuye.
Can't do it. Listen to you, right? Let me tell you something else.
kamubwire
Tommy, you owe him.
Tommy niwe wadutumye kuri ako kazi kandi umukesha ubuzima.
Okay, tell me one.
kamubwire
I'll do it for Tommy. You can do it for the money.
nimba utabikora inshuti yacu Tommy bikorera amafaranga.
That's not true, right?
urabizi urakennye.
Got the split 70K.
turi kuganira ku bihumbi bigera muri 70 by'idolari hano.
How much?
angahe?
Much?
angahe mwana uvuze angahe?
70K.
ibihumbi 70.
Can be gone forever. You go home.
akazi kamwe tukahita twimanukira ntuzagire ikindi kintu ongera kuko ibihumbi 70 byinshi.
Best Frenchie, you know I need.
wanafunguramo Jim French.
Yeah? I'm getting nowhere with the just call me French thing, am I? It was a term of endearment.
mani kuki ubundi munyita French niryo zina ry'akazi twamenyereye.
One last job.
mani dukore kano kazi ka nyuma.
3 last jobs.
tugiye kwishyuza nakubwo n'utuzi dutatu bagiye kwishyuza abantu batatu babahemba ibihumbi 70 by'idolari. amafaranga menshi cyane.
I'll take
uyu arabanza kure amafaranga reka bari nge wishyura uyu bana mwirukanye n'amafaranga afite.
even another 20.
reka musigire na ka tipu k'amadolari 20 kugira ngo uboneke ibintu biriho.
I'll see you outside.
tubonanire hanze. muginga nyiyemeyeho umuntu ugiye kuguha akazi nyine azi ko ukeneye hari ukuntu akwereka ko amafaranga ariho. atanze tipu y'amadolari 20.
You think it might be a nice idea to let me know
bashano
live? Well, I did consider doing that Frenchie, but Tommy told me to remain incognito, so that's what I did, yeah?
mani byose turabikorera. Tommy yagiye mfasha cyane.
Out of this shit pit.
nakoraga hariya
I get fired same day you tell.
uburyo banyirukanye nkahita mura nawe unjyana mu kandi kazi ni ibintu bitangaje.
Oh, wait a minute, what the fuck is that?
uretse gato mwana icyo ni igice ugiyemo.
It's called a car, mate.
iyi bayita imodoka.
Wheelchair with a
iyi ni
fitted in, mate.
ati ni wheelchair nibega ni za ntebe z'ibicumba nuko ifite ikintu hejuru cyitwikiriye. iyi ntabwo ari imodoka mwana. uyu we ni ibandi nyine ni G igendera mu tumodoka tw'amafiyeri.
Alright. Now look, if we're gonna do
mwana icyo kintu ntabwo nakinjiramo.
Oh, no, got no time.
tujye mu rugo mpindura imyenda.
Hey, you look beautiful.
nta gihe dufite urasa neza.
We have to first then. Las Vegas. So don't
tugiye Las Vegas niho hambere tugiye kwishyuza. bano ni abishyuzi. uhora batuma atera umuntu ufite miliyoni bakagenda bakamukubita. bamukubita yabishyura bakaryamo nk'ijana ryabo. niko kazi bakora. hey wowe ukabona umuntu agenda mu muhanda buri gitondo kumbe niko kazi yikorera. ariko washingaga koperative gakora ibyo bintu we. kitwa abishyuzi. bagiye Las Vegas kwishyuza. bimeze bite? bafashe inzira baturuka aho bari berekere Las Vegas Nevada. no buriya bucemba mbuzi neza cyane kubera nyine
what music? Do you like?
kubayo.
But we take it easy with the DJ, eh? What do you say?
shyiramo akazi k'imana wishyiramo ibyo bintu by'imiziki. iyo zamura arabizima. si wumva.
In Vegas then, mate. We're sticking with.
tugiye muri Vegas.
Oh, the old Vig, eh? So we are.
reba tugiye kwishyuza rero.
Have a look, Frenchie. My specs must have.
kandebe iyo tugiye kwishyuza nawe rebaho.
Hang on a minute.
uretse gato.
This is number 2 on this list.
uyu muntu tugiye kwishyuza Vegas kumane kuri lisite wa kabiri.
Spurs.
witwa Maliz.
Cheap. Always stop furthest away from home and work your way back, yeah?
urabizi cyane nakoraga kure mu rugo nza kugaruka hano uyu muntu tujye kwishyuza amalizi
Bonafide class act out of Louisiana,
ni
yeah?
umugore watari wo muri Louisiana
The kid Frenchie to work for the Ukrainian crime family.
mbere yakoreraga umuryango w'abanya-Ukraine n'abawubarizwamo abagizi ba nabi
Yeah.
yari azi ibintu byose
It was the mid-80s. I was
icyo gihe yari muri za 80 yari afite imyaka nka 20
Cornelius, yeah?
atangira gukorana n'umuryango we
She knew everything.
akazi kose yagakoraga neza
Was buried. After
azi amafaranga aho bayabika ibintu byose famiye ye
she became very rich, very powerful.
amaze kugira imbaraga no kubona udufaranga umukobwa umunsi umwe yagize atya aravuga ati reka nice famiye yose amafaranga yabo ayasigarane famiye ye bari abagizi ba nabi bose arabica ni Mary's ahari muri 80 yishe famiye yasigarana amafaranga niyo bagiye kwishyuza uyu muntu wishe famiye ye yakwishyura ata
Know all this,
ibintu bintu bizuta
failure family.
uwo muryango w'abanya-Ukraine wuzuti
I had this on and off thing with her for about 3
njye n'uwo mugore imyaka 3 ishize nako nyuma y'imyaka 3 amaze kwica famiye twaje guhura
right?
tubaje guhura nyine ntura umuntu hasi ndimanukira umugore w'ikihebe
Don't fucking say.
mwana wakomeje ubivuga ko twaryamanye n'uwo mugore
She looks in your eyes and she.
akurebye mu maso ashobora kumenya ko nakubwiye ko twaryamanye yatwica
Fuck, it sounds like a right crazy bitch to me. Oh, she is Frenchie, but I don't want to wind up hurting her, you know, physically, I mean.
uwo mugore ni mubi cyane sinshaka ko tuza guserera nawe
Done. I'm with
nta
Vaughn.
bintu by'urugomo nshaka ndashaka tugende dufata amafaranga tugenda
No more hurting my fellow man.
amana iri kuvuga ngo nta kubabaza abantu nta rugomo tugiye kwishyuza ubwo uravuga iki
Maybe, okay? Maybe it was fucking life-threatening.
Well, good luck with that.
wenda tugende tubatera ubwoba tubakange ariko ntiturwane
This though, right? How do you expect to collect 3 vigs in
urumva mu minsi 2 twakwishyuza ahantu hatatu nta murwano ubayemo urumva byagenda gute
No.
ntabwo bishoboka
No.
niko mwavuga
We're gonna do 50-50, right? Partners.
turabungariza turagabana 50 kuri 50 bari butwishyure
Let's hope it doesn't get to that. But it probably fucking will, won't it? Let's be honest. Do me a favor. Pull over to the next stop, French.
urabizi parika ari imbere mbanze nkwe byeri unteye n'icyaka ni umusinzi Eric Ross ifungura agafanta tube tukaho uwo ni umupampu ushinzwe icyo kunywa n'icyo kurya muri Rock Entertainment turatwika zaba pampe mfite yaje akorena yeah Zan kuri station yazana ashyiremo isanse nta bapompisite babayo kumbe bari kugenda uyabonye ikimodoka gisa kiza aho bari kimeze gutyo we bamusereje ngo imodoka imeze nka bya bitebe by'ibicumba ngo nuko gifite ikintu cyitwikiriye hejuru ni wheelchair ifite roof hejuru biginga batwara bwa modoka mbega nimba ujya ubona zimwe zanyu hey aza kureba ino modoka buno ntiyadukurikiye
walking his ass over here.
mukinga azanye agatafari kano harimo abirabura babiri
So, lads, can I help you with something?
nabafashara mwereka imbunda ntabwo mbizi French wadufasha
Motherfucker.
subira inyuma uvuye wa mugingo ibara namuzi n'amazina ye ngo ni French ikangamo hey baranamuzi
Bitch ass motherfucker, man.
subira inyuma torori jira modoka
You okay, Frenchie?
mezereza French
See that black SUV?
urabona iriya modoka y'umukara SUV
Yeah. Was a
Ndayibona.
massive blokes.
hari abaginga babiri b'abirabura
Fuck off machine gun.
abaginga bafite machine gun
What's that about?
bazi n'izina ryanjye ni bandi
They've been following me ever since I left.
kuva nava Los Angeles barankurikiye
Oh yeah.
yego
Actually, they were outside your dive bar up in Rancho.
wabona boherejwe ngo baze kureba niba dukora akazi neza
Mission skills back there, Frenchie. Just wondering.
baba bohereje nk'ikipe nyine iza kureba ko turi bwishyuza akazi kakagenda neza
Kicking on just took. Why they tailing that?
urumva ntabwo umuntu yakoreza kwishyuza amafaranga ye ntashyireho umuntu w'ingenzi wo kumenya ko numara kwishyuza utayacikana
What for?
bara ni abaje gucunga
What? Oh yeah, to make sure we get the money and then make sure we don't run away.
nyine bara ni abagomba gucunga niba amafaranga nituyafata tutari buyacikane nta kindi
Who's Tommy collecting for? Frenchie, I don't
ariko ni Tommy tugiye kwishyuriza amafaranga ni umuntu wacu aratuzi
wait. Get the money back to Tommy.
tugiye dufate amafaranga tuyasubize Tommy twitahire nta bindi kira vuba sasu bisa nkaho Tommy baziranye cyane ku buryo yumva ko Tommy atakabashyizeho ingenza ziza gucunga nimba bakora akazi neza biramutunguye baje kurino bari kujya Las Vegas Nevada Hey, uyu ni umuryi wo gutwika. Iyo ufite yawe niho ujya kuyarira ubundi. Mbega ni umujyi wakiryo no kuryoshya. Baje muri uwo mujyi. Yeah. Mbaye munota umwe French.
You alright, mate?
Mwana umeze neza baje kureba ngo umugore bigeze kuryamana kera mubi cyane n'umwicanyi witwa Maurice.
You're afraid of any man, you know that, right? Yeah, but now
uwo mugore mbere nibwo yari umuntu wanjye ubu arasigaye ari umuntu utandukanye.
a deadline, aren't we? Remember?
Mane dufite iminsi ntarengwa tukiri vuba tugende. Bari gukorera ku masaha ku minsi baba bamaze kwishyuza. Bagiye kwishyuza umuntu wa mbere witwa Maurice. Maurice bimeze bite? Akurino baje mu kabari.
Miss Reese is a busy woman, so be
Maurice murabizi ni umugore ugira akazi kenshi.
get to the point quickly.
Muvuge vuba ikibagenza. Munkurikire mubagezeho muvuge ikibagenza muhite mutaha.
Check out the thighs on that.
Nabonye kari agatafari we.
Do you reckon she charges people to put in the scissor hold? Gee, you'd be serious. You can...
Mani baseri tayanyicishe. Tangira kureba udutafari ngo turi hano. Umbe yakuri no muri ako kabari bajemo. Nakwitwa Maurice.
Sound check's still going, so stay out the way.
Baje akurino.
Time to get them a drink? Alright, Mrs. Reese will be right with you.
Hey, take a
Hey.
please.
Giye mu mamazi.
Let's go whiskey.
Uyu muhe whisky.
It's a nice place. You should have stayed with her.
Uyu mugore ndabona ahantu heza yuza gukomeza ugakundana nawe. Cicika wakikurikiye. Yakibwiye ngo giceceke. Ngo uwo mugore atamenya ko bavuze ko uyu baryamanye atamenya ko nabikubwiye. Bya bintu bya Nshuti Joseph.
Linsky Golden Boy.
Solinsky Golden Boy Baker.
Turn of the main contender.
Ndabona wigarukiye dore wa mugore yarashaje.
Still a knockout.
Marizi na n'ubu uracyari mwiza pe.
But we both know it was you that got
Nako
knocked.
turabizi ko ari we icyo gihe wari urenze.
I made it back from that night.
Fayo.
Maybe I never will now. But either way, it's really nice to see you again.
Ariko hagati byiza kongera kubona.
Yard arm and
Izuba rimeze nabi hanze.
to say no to a job.
Ndabizi ntabwo wakwanga icyo kunywa.
Actually,
Urebye
kind of all finished with that now, Mel. Yeah, clean and sober all the way.
twe dufite akazi kenshi tugomba kurangiza kandi tutasinze bakiri soba.
It's the 155k.
Tommy yamamagaye ngomba kubishyura 155.
While the money's ready, I got
Amafaranga yanyu arateguye.
a phone call.
Bakimara kumamagara nahise nyategura ngo nyabahe. Ariko
Okay, no thanks.
nta mikino to
A
amafaranga.
large sum of money to save my bacon.
Nagwishije amafaranga menshi ngira ngo nite kuri business zanjye.
Then he goes and gets himself killed. So I think I got lucky and got off. But then
Uwo
he
nari nayagujije yaje kwicwa.
act.
None nuko nongeye kwishyuzwa n'undi muntu ariko ngomba kuyishyura ni mwene wabo. Katorore.
A long way through a hot place.
Umva twafashe urugendo rurerure tuva kure.
We know how to pussyfoot around, so if you've already prepared the readies, let's have it. And we'll clear out, yeah?
Does the English shoe salesman know
Yeah.
talking to and what I do to
Uyari hakurino.
Boys.
Umva ntabwo nkunda utwana tw'uduhungu tuvuga gutyo tuvugisha abantu bakuru.
Listen,
Marizi
I'm listening, but
nicyo gihe ngo twumve.
in my club you call me Miss
Muri club yanjye banyita Miss Louise.
Respect and I demand
Icyubahiro mba nyene hano.
Please.
Umva Miss Louise tubabarire.
and we'll go.
Tuba amafaranga twigendera ibyo by'ibyubahiro ni ibiki.
name little
Witwa nde musore muto?
It's,
Yitwa
they're calling French, just like...
yitwa French mwite French.
off Mr.
It's
French.
just French, by the way.
Umva nyita French wantu ureka ibintu byinshi.
Hillary, we've come a long way from LA. We have to go...
Umva twaturutse Los Angeles.
Right, okay.
Turashaka gusubirayo.
Please.
Uyarakaye umusore yanga umugore hano uri kumusuzugura.
Miss Britt, she has your money.
Uriya Miss Brit afite amafaranga yanyu.
Give the bag to Mr. French.
Icyo gikapu gereza Mr. French. Akahita nakamera kugira ngo mutazavuga ngo ntiyabishyuye.
She'll be shooting some footage.
Abagomba kubakamera kugira ngo bigaragare ko yabahaye.
The money's all there and accounted for.
You know what, Mallory? Maybe you should keep filming until we get all the way to the car if you plan it out.
Nimba asabwa muri abakamera mwadukameye tukarinda tugera no mu modoka yacu tutagera imbere mukayatwaka tutaragera no mu modoka.
Good.
Ni sawa? Ni sawa.
Why don't you hang with me a minute, Sue?
So wabaretse uretse tukaba turi kumwe gato. Mr. French n'abasohotse.
I'm sure Mr. French can find his own way.
Ka Mr. French n'ubundi bamugeze hanze inzira yaraza kuyibona. Mugore nakubwiye ati ikintu twitaho cyane hano no gusobanura filime ijambo kurindi biriya bintu umuntu azagasakuriza muri filime ngo nanjye ndatwika. kora nukogeza ntago ari ugusobanura.
Now you look like a jigsaw puzzle to
kera wari bogari none dore ukuntu usigaye usa nabi. Ugiye n'iki kibazo? Bano nyine iminsi myiza ngo barayigiranye. Abasaza n'umukecuru.
Can taste the caviar you had for dinner last night, Mal.
Uzi ko mise mu murirwa ibintu wariye ninjoro mu kanwa.
side. But you chose LA instead and look
Wakagobye kuba rangumye uruhande tugakumana ariko wahisemo kujya muri LA Los Angeles.
tonight. I want you to think of me and the life that you
Ninjoro nuza kuba uri koga uze kwireba noneho wibuke ibihe byiza twakabaye twaragiranye ariko imvuga bakoresheje njyewe ngo ahantu yakabaye ari kureba ari koga ninjoro sinabivuga ndiyubashye. Ngo naza kuba ari koga yireba aze kwibuka ibihe byiza bari kuba baragiranye n'uburyo umugore ngo yatwikaga.
Don't scare the fucking piss out of me, but your lips are magnificent.
Umva iminwa yawe iracyari myiza pe. Mukecuru imanuki mukecuru sire yuko ni mukecuru imanuki muzehe cyakora tujye duceceka twarari ni urusaza rero twarariye twaranyweye nuko abantu badashima.
I'll tell you what, that was a piece of piss, wasn't it? She just gave you some...
Mani ko byari byoroshye isato amafaranga turagenda.
Mate?
Umve
No problem.
si cyo kibazo.
Avoid too easy French.
Uburyo duhayemo amafaranga byoroshye ntabwo bisanzwe.
That's not the Mal we...
Marizi nzi ntabwo ari kuriya kora ntabwo yapfa kukwishyura gutyo kumbe koko bayabo Yesu Kristo sinakubwiraga French bohereje umuntu ngaza twakara amafaranga bari batwishyuye. Ibaza umuntu yagukamenya kwishyura kugeza mu modoka uragenda arangije aragukurikira ya mafaranga yagwaye kwake ubwo ntabwo wajya kuri boss umubwira ngo ntabwo banyishyuye. Boss yavuga ati barayagwaye nabonye video wayariye arabafasha. Kano kazi ko kwishyuza ntabwo kaba koroshye.
Difference, right? Because this piece of shit couldn't get away anyway.
Bafayo n'imbunda shaka amafaranga bamaze kubishyura mu kanya.
What have we got here?
Ticyana
Machine gun, 3 batons. What do you want to do?
batatu bafite inkoni n'umwe ufite machine gun.
Stop, it ain't denouncing you, is it, mate?
Mana ubundi njye ntabwo nkunda ibintu by'imirwano.
Here for the money, boys.
Basore tuje gutwara amafaranga.
We'll be nice back.
Look at this ginger prick. AK-47. That is pretty much the wankiest assault rifle anyone could get.
Uriya mugingo ufite imbunda wagira ngo ntazi no kuyikoresha.
Rest in the receiver. I bet this prick's never had a range session in his life. Okay.
Afashe imbunda nk'umujangweri mbega.
I'm gonna take him.
Uriya ngiye kumufata ufite imbunda bara batatu basigaye nawe urwane nabo.
I'm gonna get to take out 3. How's that?
Mana ufata umwe ngiye mfata batatu.
Assault rifle.
Umva ngiye gufata umwe ufite assault rifle. Imbunda mbi cyane.
It's a girl.
She look like a girl. It's a fucking monster.
Umwe ngarafata uw'imbunda undi afate batatu.
Simple.
Umva ngiye gufata uw'imbunda bare batatu genda bakubite ni ibintu byoroshye ibigabo byose ni indwanyi.
Well, that means you're
Nari maze igenda kubita umugore. Bivuze rero ngo wararuhutse noneho ubu no wamukubita neza. Umva ikigoryi ariko. Ngo nari maze igenda kubita umugore ikindi. Ubwo nyine urumva wararuhutse. Nibwo uri umukubite neza. Uyagomba gukubita imbunda gusa uyakajya kuri babandi batatu. Bimeze biti. Hey! Bunda. Mugongo. Oya kazi karakarangije. Yeah! Giti! Hey! Uyu! Hey! Bose! Nirwanyi! Ku mutwe. Sore! Mutebutsi! Giti! Hey! Si! Yeah! Katurare! Punch! Hey! Kubita umugore ngo yaramaze kabiri adakubita umugore.
You hit me with the bat. I'm
Nkubise inkoni niyo mpamvu ngukubise. Ibi ntabwo minangi.
spray. We're not the ones running. Go and get out of here.
Vana ugende waninje ntabwo ari twe turi bwiruke. Ngukubitiye ninje ariko ninje nkubise igiti. Muze. Nakubwiye ngo ntabwo ari akazi koroshye. Twimanukire.
Let's work, old man. It's been
Koza akazi keza muze.
Nick.
She walking Natalia. She hit me in the head with a bat.
Kiriya gikobwa kinkubise inkoni mu gutwi.
Wouldn't beat yourself up about it.
Bari hano. Babandi bagomba gucunga ko bano bakora akazi neza baraza.
It's nice to see you guys show up.
Yeza ko babona abasore.
Here for you.
Mbagira inama.
You get out and you give us a fucking hand.
Ubutane duhura n'ibibazo mwaje mukadufasha.
So you two fight. Not bad for a couple has-beens.
Twebwe twishyuriwe kuza kubacunga ntabwo ari ukubafasha.
Look at Ronnie, man.
Mani reba uriya w'imisatsi y'umweru.
How's those eyes anyway? I'm telling you.
Genda mbona ari ahantu muzi mani nyamara niwe mwana. Ibigoryi biravuga ibiki ngo ari ahantu bimuzi. N'uyu musaza.
Oh, these guys, sir. I don't know.
Ibintu bigoryi ni byane.
The fuck they're working for?
Let's just focus on.
Ubundi bakorera mani twe twite ku kazi kacu.
Let's just move on.
Sasa uyu nguyu French ntabwo yumva ko umuntu bari kwishyuriza yitwa Tom.
Through the night to
Tommy yaba yabatumyeho abantu bamucunga kuko arabizera basanzwe bakorana.
Time's good. We need to have the money in by Friday. We
Yeah, I need some
talked about
goddamn rest if I'm expecting.
Kuwa gatatu tugomba kuba twatanze amafaranga yose.
Listen, mate.
These machines, they
umva
work without the
bino bigumi byacu ubona ntabwo byakora udafite mu mutwe rero ntabwo ari ugupfa kugenda turwana twishyuza tutazi ibyo turi kwishyuzamo.
don't work.
Izi ngumi zacu cyangwa se izi mashini ntabwo zakora hatarimo fitensi cyangwa se hatarimo akantu kazikoresha ni ubwonko bwo. Tujye muri hoteli. Nahise baza hano. Muzehe arashaje ariko aracyari ibandi. Ni iniga y'umusaza Louis Mandela. Bogari dore yarashaje. Burya iminsi ni mibi. Nimumuzi yaratwitse. Yo. Do. Kazi kabari n'ijyango urye nuko ujya kuryama ufite udukomere wikanda kanda. Muga hoteli bafite ahandi hantu habiri hasigayeho kwishyuza. Telefone. Ako nino. Ni Tommy Mukire.
Yeah.
Yego. Tommy.
So we got the money from Maurice.
Maurice twamukwe amafaranga. Hasigaye babiri.
Oh, you know.
Yitwaye neza urabizi.
But I got a question, you know.
Ariko ngufitiye ikibazo.
Seem to picked up some company, two brothers.
Bisa nkaho twakurikiwe. Dufite abasore babiri badukurikiye bangurikiye kuva Los Angeles.
Yeah, just making sure we don't blow with the dough.
Abo ni babiri nyine bo kumenya ko amafaranga mutari buyangize twatumye.
How you doing, Tommy? You doing okay?
Umeze gute Tommy? Umeze neza?
I mean, just worry about the next two.
Ntugire ikibazo kuri njye ukora akazi kawe.
Or anything else maybe I need to know about this?
Nimba ari ikindi wambwira nkeneye kumenya wambwira.
It's kind of hard to talk right now. Yeah, I understand, Tommy. No problem.
Ndabyumva Tommy.
Tomorrow, okay? You look after yourself.
Ejo nzakuvugisha.
Got you into this suit.
Mbere ko nagushyize muri ibi. Bahita bakupa. Yeah.
Is that you, Frenchie? Come on in, it's open.
Managed to snag one of these from across the street. Thought it might help me sleep.
Come in. What do you got there?
You know, mate, got a bit of the old rooster.
Rooster?
Yaje kumureba yarari. Mani mvuye kuzana Rooster Roho.
Frenchie.
Rooster Rojo, ubwo niko bandikanye ariko ni Rooster Roho, niko basoma. Mvuye kumugurira koko.
Decline. Stone Cold Turkey. And I meant what I said.
Mani ngomba kwanga inzoga uyumwe wenyine nubwo warukoze neza.
Yeah? Well, I guess getting shot by a machine gun will make you reevaluate those decisions in life.
Mani kare habuze gato ngo baturashishe machine gun umuntu agomba kunywamo.
Good stuff.
Suka mu yinywere.
So come on then, mate. Said you died twice, right? You see?
Mani habuze gato ngo upfa inshuro ebyiri.
No light. Bright lights or you lying.
Ese cyagiye haburaga gato ngo upfe wabonaga nk'urumuri wabonaga ikimbwira. Nawe se wewe.
What did you say?
We cyagiye bakurasa wabonye icyo ubwo rugiye gupfa.
Bumping off like you, mate, but
Mani ngiye byo nabonye ubwo nari ngiye gupfa. Nkubwisha ukuri.
It's kind of embarrassing.
Byanse bya mbivuze. Wumve.
Why is that?
Kubera iki? Wumve ikiganiro. Nkubwiye ngiye gupfuza ibintu nabonye.
Look, I don't know if I was hallucinating or what.
Sinzi nimba ari ibintu nabonye mutwe cyari byari bihari. Banjyanye mu cyumba cyo kumbagiramo.
Honestly, right? Platinum blonde hair.
Haza kaganga. Gateye neza gafite agatafari gafite imisatsi y'umweru kagaforomokazi.
So anyway.
Sinari nzandi nareba usibye ku gatafari.
In this place right now.
Mana ahantu hari hakonje.
Yeah, and I'm shivering like
uwo muganga rero ngiye ubwo nari ngiye gupfa yaraje amagarara imbere.
Because I'm looking up at this bird and she's cutting.
Ndangije ndaryama.
And I'm trying to be like.
Ankuramo imyenda nari nambaye nyine muganga.
It's just a regular occurrence for this stud, you know.
Arangije arandeba.
So anyway, there she is.
Umuganga areba ku myanya myibarukiro yanjye.
Underwear.
Akuramo imyenda akaboxa kanjye.
Dark. Pollock.
Sigara nambaye ubusa umuforomokazi andeba. Uteye neza. Umva rero ukuntu byari bimeze.
I'm not a small man.
Ntago hasi ndi mutoya. Ubwo murabyumva.
Thoroughbred stallion either, but
nyine sindi na munini cyane.
But the thing
ariko ndi hagati aho ndaringaniye. Muri kubyumva?
Fucking cold in this.
Hari hakonje ariko mani nyine nk'icyamamare nirwanyeho.
Umve. A little nub, right?
Ariko umva mwana yisengiranya.
Embo, mate.
Icyamamare ndimanukira kandi bari bagiye kumvura narashwe.
Stand up.
Fata umuganga rwose. Umvisha ariko iyo nkuru. Urumva atari igisebo mani kuba nari ngiye gupfa nkabanza nkirwanaho.
Will make any man blush, yeah?
Mbega ikigo ryano.
So come on the mate.
Mani nawe mbwira. Wowe ugiye gupfa abonye iki rero? Watubwiye ibye? Yari wiriya yarabanje aratwika aravuga ati ntakura amakudapfa. Yatuye hasi.
Because what happened to me was perfect, yeah?
Absolutely perfect.
Njye byambaye byari ibintu byiza cyane.
The chance to finally tell someone you respect makes it feel all the more special.
Ni ibintu byiza iyo umuntu wubaha wumva nawe uri umuntu udasanzwe mu bwibanga ryawe. Naramubonye French agiye gupfa. Nabonye Miri n'akana ke. Yari guseka ampepera ubwo yari agiye gupfa nawe bamurashe yabonye akana ke kari kishimye. Yari ameze nk'adatengushwe n'ibikorwa byanjye. Yari ameze nk'akamarika kari kundeba. Ubwo yari agiye gupfa yiboneye umwana we mu gihe iki kigo ry'icyo nyine nawe ibyo cyabonye mwana si iby'Irwanda. Ishusho irangije irabura. Hey.
That's beautiful, mate.
Ibyo ni byiza mwana.
Bloody hell, here I am banging on about my tiny cock and you've gone and hit me with the...
Mu gihe ngende ndi kukubwira ibyerekeranye n'ukuntu nirwanya ariko abakoresheje ijambo rimwe ribi ntasobanura. Wowe urumva wiboneye umwana wawe ngiye mu gihe ndi kukubwira akahita avuga ijambo ribi nyine ntavuga. Kandi arivuga wagira ngo nagavuze ikintu kibirega kimanukira.
Glad you got to see him, mate.
Manishimiye ko bashikuna umwana wawe. Akana ke kapfuye ariko yarakabonye nyine agiye gupfa.
That's good stuff.
Kano kayoga kararyoshye.
Okay, we got an early ride.
Bari ngwa gake. Gitondo turazinduka.
I'll be fine, mate. Don't
Bari ngiye nongere ikibazo twazinduka twagira twe turanywa su kwibeshyira.
Oh, you were right, by the way.
Usafuze ukuri.
You know the day we got shot?
Wa munsi baturasa.
I should listen to you.
Nakabaye narakumviye. Menye barabarasiye umunsi umwe mu gice cya mbere.
We're better off than we are now, that's for sure. Glad you're still alive, mate.
Gusa nishimiye ko ukiri muzima mwana. Umugabo yivugira icyongereza cy'abongereza n'umwongereza 100% ubanza. Tacho. Ni ubwo urumva abanagoranye. Abari kugora icyamamare. Ariko se ko twize neza tukimanukira. Yeah. Mutebutsi aravunanye. Bakomeza imbere. Namutari mubizi. Cyaba bibahisha. Akurina.
Okay, Frenchie. We're here.
Okay, French, twahageze.
We're a little early, so let's kick back a little bit, yeah? Wait till Leona gets here.
Tugiye kuba twicaye dutegereze nyiri duka, nimba ari duka nimba ari igiki nyiri hano bagiye kwishyuza aza kingura.
Mate, you get your beauty sleep.
Rero byabyiza babisinziriye.
Just wake me up, yeah?
Cyengeye kuba nsinzire dutegereze nyiri hano nakingura urankangura.
The only one around here who needs to do some stretching is you.
Yarabanza yifunga mu maso kugira ngo nyina sinzire nta mucyo na mucyo abona. Uyahita sinzira. Mani ngiye kuba nsinziriye uze kunkangura. Ninjoro ntiyamaze bitutse. Nanjye ahantu hose ngeze imita nsinzira. Yeah. Bakira bamwe babacunga bavayo. Barikomereza nabagomba kubacunga ko amafaranga bishyuje batayarya. Katorori. Yeah. Oyasa mu modoka.
Come on, oi.
Umusa avuye kugura agakawa.
Coffee, huh?
Kuita agakawa.
Wakey, mate.
Yuka mwana.
You alright?
Yeah. Nisu. Ntabwo baba baryamenye babana kubiswe harimo n'imvune. Nyine hari utuzi tuba tuvunanye tu. N'aka kazi kanjye karamvuna. Iyo mbonye umuntu ashaka kundira ku mafaranga nta kintu yankoreye ndaseka. Ati nagabaza amagambo mba nabuze ngaseka mbabaye kugira ngo ntwike. Okay. Sana hano.
Esteban Madrid.
Tugiye kureba witwa Esteban Madrid. 95 byari bwishyuye. Ndetse ni bossi w'ahantu bakinira iteramakofi. Man afite boxing club. Bagiye kwishyuza umuntu ufite club y'iteramakofi.
Yeah, that's right, you.
Ibyo uri gusoma nibyo. Yeah.
He's trained a lot of good fighters.
Uyu mugabo ni indwanye atari.
He can actually fight it woefully fucking small.
Ndetse ngafite n'abasore b'indwanye.
Yeah, well.
Bagiye kwishyuza umuntu noneho ufite gym, nako si gym ni club y'iteramakofi.
There's discipline. There's these.
Yeah?
ubundi abantu bitoza ibintu by'imirwanire by'ibi bipfunsi bagomba kuba bafite discipline.
I think a lot of people might disagree with that, mate. Well, it's just a few people. It's not.
Discipline nayo ihurira n'imirwanire man, yari abantu benshi ibyo mutabyumvikanaho mutebutse arabihakana.
What I am saying is,
icyo ushaka kuvuga ni
science. It's fucking classic.
Oh yeah, man.
man, ibintu byose bijyanye na siporo no kubura umuntu urwana urenze uba ugomba kubura umuntu wiyubashye ufite discipline.
Is it fucking open?
Man, iduka nako ya club bayifunguye.
Inside? You don't know, right?
ntabwo ubizi.
You're supposed to be on fucking watch.
wakagombye kuba uri gucunga ukamenyera igihe bafunguriye kumbe bafunguye kare. man, yanagiye kugura ikawa.
Between us leaving with the money and getting our fucking asses kicked by a bunch of prize fighters, yeah?
wa mukinga we watumye indwanyi ze zinjira muri club kandi twagomba kumwishyuza indwanyi ze zitaraza muri gym. Sasu yakoze ikosa. Yagombaga gucunga boss nyiri club agifungura bakinjiramo abaza muri siporo bataraza b'indwanyi ze. Uko uyu yisha akazi ni mutebutse binjirayo. Tujye kwishyuza tunone se ko twarwiyemeje. Nanjye yari genso bagiye kwishyuza twese Bani Madrid. Katorore. Muri club ya boxing. Bano bandika bitera amakofe barakatsindwa. To. Batipe bitera amakofe. Yeah.
Frenchie.
Impumuro Frenchie. Ni ikintu utajya wibagirwa impumuro y'aha hantu. Menya no yarateye amakofi. Niwana umuntu amaze iminsi ari mu mayoga nta gasiporo nta kido. Nta gasiporo nta ariko Muze mwana ya mayoga twazado. Bana gwaza w'ijuru kubita igikapu cyacu. Urabanza ukinjira ugasinya ukishyura. Urabamambure basha. Yarakubita. Wait.
Check out the defibrillator for you.
Oh, I wouldn't worry about him, mate. He's tougher than he looks.
Wa musaza arakomeye kurusha uko umubona.
Two assholes, get the fuck out of my gym.
Munsokere muri gym.
There's no need for language like that, pal.
Nta mpamvu yo kuvuga ururimi gutyo.
Madrid. Okay.
Uje kuri Madrid.
Get him, would you?
Mutujyaneho.
Fuck off.
Subirayo.
Listen, mate, if you're gonna get saucy, fucking do something.
Mani mutangiye kuvuga nabi twabikemura.
Time to piss about comparing whose is bigger.
If you knew me, you know that mine is.
Iyo uza kubunzi ntabwo wakabaye uri kumbwira utwo tugambo. We yaramuseka.
Oh, right. You're a tough guy, aren't you?
Niwe musore ukomeye hano se. Okay.
Now this confidence that you're showing me right now.
Kino cyizere uri kunyereka none aha.
Fine, mate.
Man, umeze nk'impumyi. Ntabwo nzi.
What you need to know is I'm the bloke.
Icyo uzi cyo.
Into a boxing club.
Umuntu winjiye muri boxing club yanyu.
Gobshite.
Wabakubita mwese ngasohoka muryamye hasi ahita amanuka.
I'm doing it.
Ibi byose kandi nagukubitira imbere y'aba basheri bawe b'abahungu mbega bita batinganye aba ba boyfriend bawe nabagukubitira imbere. Ushobora kunyita ko ndumusazi ariko kuri icyo nkubwiye keza kuri boss we wakigoryiwe. Kubura umuntu witera amakofu zingura arenze umuntu ukabona aje kumenyera gutya nabyo bitekerezaho hari icyo uvuga ati buriya sumushe pe we. Ya system ya jama niyo umuntu wese ufite icyizere buriya ni umusirikare.
Like his job, you really know how to throw yourself in, Frenchie. Nice.
Just trying to get this done and put all this shite behind us. Besides, they're only boxers, right?
Bano ni babantu bitera amakofi man. They are only boxers, ntago ari abantu bahatari. Uyu muginga ntagazi ko mu mikino yose y'imirwanire imikino njyarugamba. Umukino urenze burani boxing umuntu utera amakofi yakwica. Va kuri bwakungufu va mu biki.
Good. And we don't have to go.
Ntago mwari mubizi nyine mwebwe ndikanye mbibabwira. Uyu muginga arabango si babandi batera udukofisi.
My boys wasn't alone. So it's not a debt.
Amafaranga bamese yari ideni rose gusa n'inguzanyo.
Can't pay back.
Na amafaranga ntagushije bampaye nk'inguzanyo.
We can stick it.
Genda ubwire Tommy aceceke.
It seems to get complicated, doesn't it?
Ibintu hano bigiye kugorana.
We wouldn't have a job if it didn't, Frenchie.
Ati ibintu biba bitagoranye ntago twari kuba dufite akazi French woni su. Mbega kwishyuza abantu bakakugora bivuze ko ari mpamvu bababuhirije.
Prospects back in the day. He ruined his title shot.
Oh, you know who he is then? And you should also know that he's had every goddamn excuse in the book. So listen, mate, we're in nice and early, aren't we? Do me a favor, give us some money and...
Mani dufasho dukorere favor doye mafaranga tuve hano tugenda ubiho.
Yeah. You know, if you're serious about boxing, you should never fight outside your weight division.
Nimba muzi ibintu bijyanye na boxing ntabwo ukwiye kurwana n'umuntu kurusha ibiro. Muri boxing habamo ibintu by'ibiro. Kumva habaho bawo heavyweight biki.
Two are here to reclaim your sponsor.
Bano bantu babiri baje gutwara amafaranga y'inkunga yawe.
No sparring partner.
Amafaranga adahari ntabwo uzongera gukora siporo.
No expense.
Amafaranga tuzongera kwangizaho birabirangiye kandi uyu niwe champion.
Pussies is getting your gloves on.
Man babita amapusi zino pusi zebyiri zirano ndazikubita
Too much of a sweet science for me anyway, right?
mani wambwiye ngo urindwanye isi wamukubise
I guess it's you.
ngaho genda urwane nawe n'umutsinda ubwo amafaranga yanyu murayabona muze yagiye kurwana n'umusore muto witoza itera amakofi
That fucking money, trust me.
giye gukubita umusore wawe nze dutwara amafaranga nagutsinda
Pick up the gloves, old man.
fata ibyo bigamanuze tugende
I got this French.
French bino ndabikora umusaza no kunama biramugora amaze gusaza kagongo umusaza do agiye kurwana n'akana gahora kitoza ni champion winner do umwana uri fit ufite n'amaraso ashyushye muze yamaze gusaza n'amayoga ya hato na hato bagutura hasi bya hato na hato
New pacifist code.
muze we mukubita utuje
French is a sport, and it's pure sport.
man iyi ni sport
Prime.
hano ni abatereti babiri bagiye guhura katorori muze avayo muri rigi bajya gukurikira filimi twagiye muze ku gakweto ke do ku mwana muto uri fiti ufite amaraso ashyushye champion muze nta mwana unyara ku kabari muze niyo principe agendera nta mwana wihagarika ku kabari ntawubaho muze kura umwana twika muze yewana njye ariko mfite n'abafana amaboko muyamanuye muze uramubona ariko amaboko muyamanuye katururi we muze hasi muze baratamika muze yaratamitswe meze neza mwana haguruka bari kumushuka bari hanze muze yarashaje umwana uri hano arabangutse ni umusportif mani bino bikora muze bamukurame gasani muze bamukubise kawu knockout kigo gihe umukubise apfukamye kandi ntabwo byemewe mani haguruka twabikora yani byanze rero nutabikora ntabwo tubona amafaranga yaramucira mani none se ubundi ko nategereza waje tukaba ariwe turwana mani uko byagenda kose tuvana amafaranga hano uko byamera kose tuvana amafaranga hano niko kazi kabo uko byamera kose akazi turagakora none se ko nta mirage badusigiye akazi kagomba gukorwa niyo magambo katorori mani twika mwambika gloves nyuma yawe tera wapi mwana uri hano sportifu mesa neza cyane muri informe mwana utabutsi uye mwirabura urenze hano katorori uyaza gufana ushaje usigaho ubundi niko bavuga tera utabutsi aje anavuga ngo si ba bantu batera udukofesi tera udukofesi Frenchy tera punch mutamitse we katorori kira tugire kira kira mutamika kandi meze neza tera punch bose punch yagasani punch mugabo rero yavangamo n'imigeri ubundi ntabwo iba yemewe muri boxing mana zanyemo n'imigeri bya bindi twarwana kacera ngo imigeri ntayirimo we wambaye inkweto ngo banza uzikuremo katururi katururi tera we mugabo rero champion ubangutse cyane mese neza fiti amavi ubundi ntabwo byemewe azanamo za tekinike zahita afunira mu mavi iyo atabizana bakajya mu ngumi gusa mana aramwibye umuvunnye kaboko bose arabateranira katurore kura y'imbunda champion bamuvunnye akaboko uzi kuba ukina umukino w'itera amakofe umuginga akakuvuna akaboko abagufashe ku nda bamenye ko bagusubije ku isuka yava muri ringe yaje yabasuzuguye nibwo abonye ko itera amakofe mwana ibi bintu ntabwo bisanzwe cawo wa mukinga we Girasu amafaranga barayabahaye. Nakubwiye ngo nta kazi koroshye ku isi kabaho. Na Bibiliya Imana yarivugiye mu itangira tu uwitwa umugabo azarya yiyushya kuya.
Yeah, sponsorship money.
Bana amafaranga nago yari nguzanyo.
Fucking Barbosa.
Iyi yari impano Barbosa yaduhaye. Ufise guki?
Barbosa.
Barbosa.
Fucking sucker punch me.
Barbosa ni wari watuguru waraduhaye n'amafaranga nk'inkunga muri iyi club ya boxing.
Don't you fucking move.
Ntuvo ngaho. Barbosa ngo ni waragushiye amafaranga. None kuki Tomari uri kuyishyuza kandi amafaranga ari amafaranga yatanzwe n'uwitwa ngo Barbosa. Basha kurinu. Katurore. Yeah.
Fuck out of here, yeah?
Tuvano tugende. Munangira Imana yarivugiye ati umugabo azarya yiyushya kuya. Ntago wapfa kurya ibintu utakoze. Ngiye niyo mbonye ibintu by'ubuntu ngira ubwoba. Akomba nakoze reka nge nyarya. Ndavuga.
Could have been a good
tiruka imihanda.
It's for him like you did, you know. It's very cold, Frenchie. Very cold.
Bagarutse hakuri no kunywamo.
Sure, I'm made in line.
Ni ukurya wakoze mwana umusarika tujye turya tuba twakoze do.
And you've got a tongue.
Mwana warahindutse n'uburyo usigaye uvugamo.
It's where we have to next time, man.
Turakurikizaho he.
Let's have a look at this.
Katureba aho tugiye gukurikiza. Reba. Bari kurya Robingo, snacks za Robingo. Irizan.
Canoga Park.
Canoga Park.
Joyous.
So bagiye kuki.
Skinner, 200.
Silas Skinner. Ibihumbi 255. Yesu Kristo amafaranga menshi cyane bikanzemo nabo. Iyo bagiye kwishyuza amafaranga nta muntu wapfa kuyishyura. Baze bagutumye ngo ujya kunyishyuriza uriya muntu miliyoni nako miliyari n'urugero. Wagenda ufite ubwo ukavuga ati amafaranga arayabona koko. Cyaranyica. Rabinjiye. Baba pampe.
Damn.
Basore.
Right on course.
Bari kurya mutwaro bingo. Bari kurya snacks za Robingo. Bifite nakamenyero.
Cause you boys look fucked up.
Man, ariko mwana ngenda bona musa nk'abangijwe.
Ask him, man.
Mubaze mwana.
Down and out.
Mwana reka tukubaze rero.
Oh, he here reckons he saw you and saw.
Uyu musore wanje iyo yibutsana kuzi muri filime yo kurwana.
You the fucking
Man, so wakinye filime y'amaninja man ya kera.
movie ninja the car.
Ya movie ya ninja.
That's you, right?
Babarwanisha ku ngufu.
Correct, gentleman.
Mubyibutse neza ninjye wayikinnye.
I told you.
Nari nabikubwiye man.
Me and my brother used to watch that movie all the time. We
Jen muvandimwe wanjye filime twarirebaga tukiri abana y'amaninja wakinnye mwana urindwanya.
But I ain't fucking with you today, man.
Gusa uyu munsi ntabwo twagukinisha.
The best ninja movie I've ever seen.
Niwe muntu wakinaga filime z'ninja kera nigeze mbona.
Movie.
Wamubonye muri filime?
Good.
Bro, this fucker used to be the shit.
Man, yahoze ari umuntu wahatari none dore yararaburishije yabaye umuntu uraho. Man, nta kintu ufite kidasanzwe.
What the fuck happened to you?
Byakugendekeye gute ko kera wari urenze?
Can happen to you too, boys.
Icyambayeho namwe bizababaho.
Life.
Icyambayeho cyitwa ubuzima.
It's called life.
It's called life. Icyambayeho ni ubuzima namwe cyababaho. Bari bamumenyereye ati muze ko wakinaga filime z'ninja kera tukwemera uri umuntu urenze. Iki cyakubayeho ko waraburije. Ati cyambayeho namwe cyababaho. Icyo kintu bakita ubuzima. Buriya nubona umuntu yigize uwadanje ari kwivugisha utugambo ngo nuko hari utuntu dukenya ari kubona muri iyo minsi. Hari ikintu bita ubuzima ati nawe cyakubaho. Icyo cyambayeho. Buriya nubwo nwikamba nzi aho ntarengera ikintu bita ubuzima.
Find out what, mate? Wait, I asked you a question.
Come on.
What the fuck did
French?
They're not talking about anything. Come on, finish up.
Araginga nta kintu banatubaza twigende.
I'm gonna make a quick
Muze arambabaje rwose. Mwabana mu ikintu cyambayeho namwe cyababaho bakita ubuzima nta kindi kidasanzwe. Abantu bose ikintu bita ubuzima cyabayeho ndabasuhuje mwihangane. Surgum. Magarana.
Tell me you didn't know.
Ngira ko utarubizi. Muze watumye kwishyuza kumbe bamutunze imbunda.
They were collecting Barbosa's money.
Utambwira ko amadeni turi kwishyuza witwa Barbosa.
We've had a good run, Golden Boy.
Twakoranye neza Golden Boy.
I take the money.
Baye ndiwe nafata amafaranga nishyushye nkirukanga agacika. Kumba batumye kwishyuza burya amafaranga CSI. Harabamufatiye imbunda niyo mpamvu yari yabatumye.
This is Molly action.
Uyu ni Molly X muvugana boss wanyu mushya.
You owe me one more collection.
Mundimo kujya kwishyuza ahandi hantu hamwe.
Bring that go to Molly.
Nzana amafaranga muyazanire Molly. Bayiha yanyu.
Boy Tommy can breathe easy again.
Aho niho Tommy ari buze kongera guhumeka tuje. Tommy wanyu namufashe. Tommy bari bazi ko bari gukorera ko siwe bari gukorera. Yafashwe n'uwitwa Molly X. Kikijya. madeni bari kwishyuza ngo nayo witwa Barbosa sina ya Tommy. Mori X turore yeah. Yeah.
Sorry, Tommy. I tried.
Garukan. Bamuzanye hano.
Let's go, Tommy.
Tugende Tommy. Yeah. Do.
You hate LA, but here you are.
Wanga Los Angeles ariko durahuri. Wanga LA. Nibavuga LA wumve Los Angeles. Tommy.
She love Los Angeles, man.
Los Angeles ndayikunda mwana.
Stacey Adams shop.
Izi nkweto za Stacey Adams none ziguriye.
I get my suits tailor-made.
Ikote ryanjye no baridodera. Urikumva mwana?
Got love for the West Coast, man.
West Coast niga kandi nabo ndabakunda mwana. Wumvishe n'injyana zabo. Niyo mpamvu akunda Los Angeles no muri West Coast. Iyi niga y'umusaza yo maniga.
Do hate.
Uzi ikintu nanga?
There's liars.
Nababeshyi. Nibo nanga ariko sinanga hano.
Now, either somebody gave you some fucked up.
Nimba umuntu urwaye makuru mabi.
Or you straight lied to me.
Ariko warambeshye mwana ubizi.
My business depends on information.
Ubundi akazi kanjye gashingiye ku makuru.
That said, I'm not the encyclopedia.
Reka ngubwire ko ngiye nari inkoranye amagambo. Amakuru yanjye yakura imihanda, yakura kuri streets naga yakura kuri encyclopedia.
French and Sue.
Wo French na Sue bari.
They were wasted in this.
Wambwiye ko bapfuye. Wambwiye ko babarashe bagapfa.
Swore on my face that you had no.
Wandahiriye mu maso urambwira ngo Sue na French barapfuye.
Barbosa was a client.
Muvandimwe Barbosa ero mukire wanjye.
Clients.
Ariko yari umukiriya mubi.
Before the rest of my brother's crew cut them all down in the blaze of glory. That's what you said.
That's what I said.
So if that's the straight up truth, why do I have emissaries out here from Inglewood to Hollywood saying that French and Sue was walking and talking and having a fine ass time here?
Wambwiye ko bapfuye kumbe bambwiye ko bari bameze neza bazenguruka imihanda French na Sue bameze neza kandi umuseba mukubita. Shanyarasi.
You cold-blooded, Felix. That's not a wise choice.
Felix mwereke. Reba waratubeshye. Bamweretse amafoto urabona Sue. Sue na French bari bameze neza bikaraga mu mihanda.
You lied to my fucking face. You disrespected my brother's memory.
Urukwibutso rwo umuvandimwe wanjye wararusuzuguye.
All this, you got to pay in blood equity. Cuddy, let's be out.
Man, mureke tube dusohotse.
You see, my brother had 3 sizable debts that needed collecting before he was killed.
Muvandimwe wanjye mbere yuko apfa afite amadeni 3 yagombaga kwishyuza. Niyo mpamvu rero turi kuyishyuza. Kumba ari kwishyuza amadeni y'umuvandimwe we.
French and Sue, close out Barbosa's accounts for me.
Amafaranga ya Barbosa yose French na Sue bagomba kuyishyuza.
Because if you don't,
nutabikora,
that fucking handsome head across the bay.
Uwo mutwe wawe mwiza ndaza kugukuraho.
You got 48 hours.
Waye iminsi 2 cyangwa se amasaha 48. Batavuga amasaha 48 navuga iminsi 2 mukikanga. Ngo ya amasaha 48 mbona umufungo wanje hano. Katurore.
So you're gonna tell me this Molly is that? I don't know French.
Uwo Molly ninde nago mbizi French.
Collection left, let's just get it done.
Hasigaye kwishyuza ahantu hamwe tukigendera nta birenze.
This is here, isn't it? Let's take a look at the figure.
Babashe kwishyuza hano.
I saw so many.
74 ni hariya mwana. Babashe kwishyuza. Christ.
Fucking hate this job.
Kano kazi ndakanga. Ariko niko ushoboye. Nubwo ukanga niko ushoboye. Mbikigo. Yabonye ahantu baje kwishyuza dore abapampe bariyo. Nabarara. Aravuga ati kano kazi ndakanga. Mugenzi we akamubwira ati ariko mbona ariko ushoboye nta kandi. Nanjye kuri aburiya gusobanura ariko kazi nigiye niko nshoboye. Ibindi bintu iyo mbikoze nago. Ko nta kintu nakora ngo kigende nabi. Ako mbona ariko nkora neza. Ako reno. Mwibutse izi filmu zisanga kuri website yitwa agasobanuye 250.com. Ngo nimbuze umuntu wawe utabasha kubona filime bimworoheye cyangwa se nawe ushaka kwirebera filime wibereye wawe utuje ku internet twawe kwishyura amafaranga make ukajya wirebera ukwezi kose filime kuri iyo website ni ibintu byoroshye cyane.
Wait a minute, what are you thinking?
uretse gato kure y'imbunda bandika ntwara imbunda ntuza abapampe tuba tugiye kwishyuza. Ubonye abapampe be bavayo Silas Skinner tuba bagiye kwishyuza bavayo ni babiri akazi nta kazi koroha kabaho. Bibiriya ntabwo ijya yibeshya ntabwo warya utiyushya kuya Katorori niyo waba urya utiyushya kuya ntabwo biba ari iby'igihe kirekire ari iby'igihe gito. Bavayo baje gupesesha
Switch it up.
zimya ibyo bintu byawe basanze MOD
Something? Cyrus Skinner.
basore cyo mukeneye Silas Skinner.
You expecting you? I couldn't give a fuck, man.
Mwari ufitanye gahunda nawe ntabwo ibyo tubyita bivuze ngo iki?
Looking for Cyrus Skinner, so
turashaka Silas Skinner.
How long and find him?
MOD genda umubwira zan
It's out of here.
ndagutimbura woni MOD afite ukuntu abyimba muri muremure.
Knuckle. Take a break.
MOD bihorera abo bantu.
These lads are here to see me. Come on.
Fuck off.
Chaho wa muginga we MOD.
Yeah, Tommy called me and told me that you two may swing by.
Tommy yari amamagara ambwira ngo mushobora kuza gucano.
So you've rustled up the cash for us then?
Bivuze ngo amafaranga rero wayapaki. Oya.
That ain't never gonna happen.
Ibyo ntabwo bishoboka. Amafaranga
Paying Tommy
ntabwo nakwishyura Tommy
red cent.
niyo yaba ari n'igiceri cya 5. A fucking red cent.
Come on.
Ibaza ariko nta na 5 yamwishyura.
It's okay. I got it. Come on, Cyrus. What's wrong with you? Be nice. You know how it works, right? One was transferred and he was reactivated, okay? Well, money. You don't get to keep the money.
Umva uwo muntu murimo amafaranga waduye amafaranga tukimanukira.
Really hoping that you two would not try to underestimate.
Basore nimugerageze kunca amazi ngo mwumve ko noroheje.
Tommy.
Mwavuganye na Tommy.
Who we are and what
None kuki
do.
ushaka uturushya.
You fucking English.
Wa muginga w'umwongereza bakunda kumwita umwongereza bite nubundi iyo ari kuvuga uhita ubyumva ko ari umwongereza uyu musore.
Fucking cocksucker. I was
Uyu nawe baramutuka.
like you.
Gitutsi ntavuga.
That's it.
Wa muginga we uhita kura y'imbunda ndakurashe.
Right now. Frenchie, what are you doing?
The French urakora ibikishyira hasi. Ndakurasa.
You think this scares me?
Urakeka ibirankanga.
No, shut up, Sue.
Hey.
Fucking sick of this. You get up there right now. You get the money.
Fuck you. What is
Pereza amafaranga nona.
Don't shoot the money. Do it. Do it.
Sana amafaranga nona. Kurira iki? Cyo kugisaza. Cyanze gutanga faranga. Menita. Uze bamumenye itara.
Very fucking this.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry, son. Listen to me.
Nyumva.
Myself, right? I read this morning. It's right about now your bones are all starting to break. Falling in little pieces. You're on your orbital. Soon you're gonna lose sight in one eye. Maybe lose a little color.
Umva mu kanya iryo jisho riraza kuba rimaze gupfa burundu utangira ntutekereze neza ndindi ndimene.
You know what, Cyrus? One day very soon you're gonna be having dinner through a straw with one good eye. So just
nutatwishyura vuba bidatinze bizangombwa ko uzajya urya utareba.
Go to my office.
MOD jya muri ofisi yanjye ubazanira igikapu kiriyo. Umugabo nukwanga amafaranga bayanayateguye avuga ati nibikomera ndayatanga urumva no kuvuga ati zana igikapu bahereze bagenda. Bayateguye ariko avuga ati sindi upfe kuyabaha. Yeah.
Good job with the non-violence thing, by the way. Doing a real good job there, mate. Impressive.
Ashaka kunini.
Have to do something. You're gonna.
Bana nifite kugira icyo nkora. Nabona kugiye kurasa uyu musaza kandi sinashaka kumwica.
Was I? I think we're fucking psychopath and murderer. I was just trying to.
Mwana ukeka ko ngenda umusazi w'umwicanyi ku buryo nari kurasa uyu musaza namukangaga.
Fucking running.
Hey, wa mukinga MOD amafaranga arayacikanye. Kumbe wa murara. MOD amafaranga arayacikanye. Uyarakurikira. Akazi kabo ni ukwishyuza. Akazi kandi kaba kagomba gukorwa. Yeah. Torori. Hey. Yeah. Nakurikira. Bize biti. Kurikire MOD. Kurikire MOD akazi kagomba gukorwa uko byamera kose. Yeah. Hey. Katorori. Yeah. Katorori. MOD ndagiye icyamamare aya mafaranga nanjye muri gupfa ntago nayaruka dore umwana. iki cyanara kiramurushya kirongera gikatanu kigendera hejuru y'umutwe cya MD ndimanuki iki kiguryi cy'umwana n'ingifata aragikurikira amafaranga agomba gucyurwa ko byamera kose turi cyana ahantu kiri guca kirarenze gicadore ngicyo ndayatwaye wenda nanjye nacu kubiri na karuruma nkimanukira katorori MD dore ngicyo bimeze bite yakurikiwe dore cyana hano iki kiguryi cy'umwana uyu nawe araparamira cyamuruhije shahu umwana cawo n'amafaranga Yesu Kristo na bwa buyoga aba yarayanywa nyine bwa buyoga aba yarayanywa uyabona igikamyo urabizi reka mfate lifti uri abe yiruka ibintu n'ubwenge ntabwo bisaba ibibaraga bisaba n'ubwenge yirirwa mu tuyoga ariko ubwenge aba bufite ducyana aragikurikira kiriruka cyangiza imbaraga fata ikigori kura amenyo kinga we Yesu Kristo cyamuruhishe mwana uri umwakorobasi ukina sakasi oya nifuza kuba stuntman ba bantu nyine bakora ibintu bidasanzwe njye banabifasha mu mafilime bamwe bakora ibintu nyine ubona biteye ubwoba icyo ni igitekerezo kibi ugeze amahirwe kuba nagukubise ariko urankubise warumva atamukubise nyine bageze amahirwe kuba atamukubise kombe hakorera muri rya garage
looks like we're good.
Basa nkaho tumeze neza hano umufungo bawubonye
Get it back to Tommy, can give it to Molly, and we can put the whole fucking universe back in the balance.
Molly? You talking about Barbosa's?
Ngana amafaranga na Barbosa.
Molly?
What you just say?
Ndetse muyashiriye umusazi witwa Mori.
He's taken over Barbosa's.
Mori nimba ari wowe ufashe amadeni ya Barbosa yari aturimo ni ikibazo mufite.
Collecting Barbosa's.
Mani mbwira ko utambwira ko turi kwishyuriza amadeni ya Barbosa.
Tommy's talking about it outside.
Tom ubwo yaba yaduteza agatego. Dusohoke hanze tubiganireho.
We'll be leaving you now, Cyrus. Yeah. You're gonna know pain soon.
Wewe bidatinze muramenya uburibwe icyo ari cyo. Uwo bari kwishyuriza amenya batamuzi.
Kiss.
Bereza imfunguzo z'imodoka.
Are you okay?
French umeze neza?
Just tell me.
Yes.
You didn't know.
Bwira ko utari ubizi.
That's what we've been collecting for the past 2 days.
Ko tutari kuba twafata amafaranga yuriya musore ariyo turi gutanga. Atari turi kwishyuriza. Barbosa.
It wasn't positive friendship, not at first.
Bere nanjye ntabwo nari mbizi ko ariyo turi kwishyuriza.
How's that supposed to mean?
Bisobanuye iki?
Tommy calls me out of the blue. He tells me he's got this gangster breathing down his fucking neck, and he tells me it's serious, yeah?
Barampamagaye nyuma amenya ko ibintu byabaye serious, uwo twakira ko turi kwishyuriza turi kwishyuriza.
Yeah? Nobody else. Just you. Specifically, just you. Then when that dog walked into the burger joint and mentioned Molly's name, well, what can I tell you, Frenchie? I started to put it all together myself.
And you didn't think to tell me this before?
Come on, Frenchie, you understand me. I was looking after Tommy, okay? Besides...
Umva njye nari ndi kwita kuri Tommy, nzi ko ariwe turi kwishyuriza.
Right? If you know you wouldn't help me.
Ugombaga kumfasha kandi.
Right. Do you know why? It's not fucking stupid, that's why. Come on, I'm sorry.
Ushaka ko ndi ikigoryi se nari kubyumva iyo bimbwira.
Brother, you... Come on, think about it.
Bitekerezeho.
We're 3 for 3. 3 for fucking 3, run the whole stretch.
Tumaze kwishyuza abantu batatu, tugiye dutanga amafaranga twitahire.
Fucking Vipers!
Ntabwo twakwishyurira ziriya ni ibiyoka binini. Ntabwo twabyishyuriza.
Yeah? Yeah. What the fuck's wrong with ya?
Ikihe kibazo?
I'll fucking die, Frenchie, okay?
Umva, Tommy baramwica ari tujyana ayo mafaranga. Kandi umuzi nk'uko muzi.
Frenchie, just listen.
Umva neza.
Okay, look. When leukemia took my little Millie, I lost everything.
Umwana wanjye ubwo yicwaga na leukemia.
It's going down the toilet.
Nabuze buri kimwe.
It's fucking done.
Byandangiriyeho byose ubwo umwana wanjye yapfaga Mori.
It was there for me yet again. You understand?
Wahabaye kuri njye akamfasha muri ibyo bihe ni Tommy wenyine. Wamfashije muri ibyo bihe bibi nari ndimo.
Me and Tommy aren't, you understand?
Ubwo ndaciye kurumva icyo Tom asobanuye kuri njye niyo mpamvu tugomba kumufasha. Tujyana n'amafaranga bamuri kuri. Ndagira ngo unyumve.
Just listen to me.
Ndagira ngo unyumve.
We should just do one.
Get out of this shit right now.
icyo twakora ni ugufata amafaranga tukayatwara. Hano mfite 250 nawe utwara ibindi 250 tucike.
Still can't.
Twiyobere tugishoboye.
Oh fuck you.
Wibikora. Sasu yaravuga ati amafaranga tugomba kuyatwara tugatabara inshuti yacu Tommy yaramfashije mu bibazo. Ntago yatwara.
Let go of the bag, sir.
Rekura igikapu su.
Can't make you take the bag, Frenchie.
Ntago nari gutwara iki gikapu French yashaka ko bitwarira amafaranga.
Fucking bag, sir.
Rekura igikapu su.
Make me.
Tumanyirekura. Nimba ushaka ko nyirekura, make me. Tumanyirekura. Tera muzekura umuntu amenye. Yesu Kristo mbabarire ni Satani ucutsere nambaye n'impeta mukuye amenye urusaza rwambara impeta nini ngo rubabaza abantu. Mwana urankubise. Kuri ryinyi.
Okay, that's it.
Urabizi?
Just give me the bag.
Mereza icyo gikapu.
Give me the bag. Oh, you got.
Ntacyo nagwaye amafaranga ndayatwara nawe utwara ariya twimbanukire. Tera bose. Hey. Tangira kunyuza umusaza n'indwanyi mu ncari muramuzi ni icyamamare. Hey. Shira igikapu hasi noneho.
Okay, come on.
Mani, waratse ariko. Zeriko, urabona buryo cyaba bangutsemo. Sore, buretse. Zera kubitwa. Sorry.
You're taking that bag, sir.
Shira igikapu ndagitwaye isu. Zehavayo. Vayo! Zeh! Kuri! Mutebutsi! Mwati tugabana amafaranga! Undati! Hey! Tuyajyane dutabare Tommy! Hey! Mutwe! Zeh ni indwanyi! Yeah! Zeh! Katurare! Gengaye! Zeh baramuzinga! Zeh barazinga! Zeh aramuterura. Bano barareba ni babandi bagomba gucunga ibijya mbere.
What the fuck are these idiots doing?
Ibigoryi biri gukora ibiki?
Remember that little conversation we had about MMA?
Nibuka ikiganiro twaganiriye.
I win.
Aramuterura. Deposa ku modoka y'umukire wiparikiye hari urumva umwe wiparikiye bakaza bakinira mu mafaranga yawe sha. Bahaza.
I was trying to give you an easy way out with that truck, sir.
Nashaka ko tubikora mu buryo bworoshye.
I'm gonna have to fuck you up.
Ngiye ukwangiza.
Frenchie.
Uzicura numvisha abantu babwira ngo bagiye kunyangiza mwana ntago ibyo bikinkanga. No rusaza ruri hano. No kurubwira ngo ngiye gukubitira kubwira tuzicuro babimbwiye ibyo bintu nkabanyiriho. Kandi koko umuntu agiye gusaza ngana gutya. Yaranyuze muri byinshi. Ntago biba bikimukanga. Hey. Uzi curo baba arambwiye ngo banyica. Haba ndenze nsaza. Ndemuri cyerye muze baramukubita. Muze baratamika ye. Muze yahuye n'akana gakubita gatwika. Yewe apfuye to ze fata icupa atangiye kwitabaza ibidukikije ibitwugarije. Nkwereke mwana ze utera ze punch ze yarakubiswe koko. Mzee.
Okay. I'm gonna be honest to you.
Kawubwiza ukuri so.
Always wanted to come out on top if it came down to it.
Najyaga nibaza ngo ninde uzatsinda undi munsi twarwanye none ndabibonye. Najyaga ubyibaza. Nanjye najyaga mbyibaza. Tera bose barahana. Umwe yajyaga byibaza ati umunsi twarwanye ninde watsinda undi bose ni indwanye. Vayo. Zeh! Hey! Punch! Zeh! Wita umusore. Buriya!
That's my coat!
Izo ngumi ngukubise ni za ya modoka yanjye ibuke yamugurishije n'imodoka. Harimo mbega n'akabifu ko bati wamuginge wangurishirije imodoka nako kare karimo burya. Yeah.
Yeah, boss.
Boss.
Yeah, Tommy's boy handled his business. They doing that to
Abasore barangije akazi kawe ariko hagati yo bari gusubiranamo.
Alright, we'll handle it.
Sawa reka tubikemure. Bano batanze raporo. N'abagenzuzi niko babita. Yeah. Say. Yeah. Buretse ariko. Ze.
Take you, mother.
Warunye ibyambo gingawe. Ze. Doranu ya Yesu Kristo. Yesu. Yeah. Bega igisaza. Yeah. Napfuye.
Hey.
Shyira amafaranga hano we.
I thought you know some French.
Aricyo ushaka kumenya.
No way I can leave Tommy without like an animal.
Nta buryo nareka Tommy bamwica nk'inyamaswa. Ndakeka urabyumva. Ngiye kumutabara. Muzebas kiraso yituwe ndi. Kiraso yituwe ndi we. Kiraso yituwe ndi. Murabibonye ariko. Yeah. Abapampe bavaye. Abapampe.
You boys done fucked up.
Basore bisa nkaho byabarangiranye.
Had money on you, Ninja. You owe me a slice.
Nari nagushetiye ninja none baragutsinze uransindishije. Bivuze ngo bano bari batsinze ubwo bano biri barwana nako bari bashetse ubwo bano biri barwanaga.
There you go.
Fata amafaranga mugende.
You can count on that, motherfucker.
Tugomba no kubica. Taragiraho. Se. Fire. Ku mutima. Rimwe. Usazura no ntasanzwe. Hey. Uriya yamumanuriye hasi kuri kaburimbo rimwe umugabo ayitaca. Uze urabizi. We subirayo. Usubira ari kuri umupfura bizi barakwica nawe.
What is yours?
Ayo mafaranga na yawe ngaho yagumane ndigendeye. Ngiye ntwaye imodoka. French arigendeye. Ti wa musaza we nusubira barakwica. Katorore. Yajana umuduka byibura barimo kakanyanga. Ewe muze yakubiswe. Fata kanyangano. Ikora nka rukoro buriya nyine. Yica ama infection. Eh. Eh. Yeah. Uyinjiye mu modoka agomba kujya gutabara Tommy. Bimeze bite? Ya Jean.
Don't worry about me. Just worry about the next two jobs. I'm sorry I got you into this.
Yibutsa mubwira ati ngiye numangayikirangayikishwa n'utundi tuzi tubiri dusigaye.
Right? Mother calls.
Uyu nguyu ariko nanone byose bikesha uyu mugabo agiye gutabara Tommy. Ubwo umwana we yapfaga byasaga nk'ibyamurangiriyeho. Ndize gutya gufatira amafaranga yose. Amwe yakura mu gikapu. Fatira igikapu hano. Asisikamo rumena amabuye n'imbunda. N'imbunda. Yeah. Katurore. Avayo. Mwe harimo amafaranga handi harimo imbunda. Yeah. Meze biti.
come to visit.
Fuck. Why'd you come back? That's far enough, motherfucker.
Inchian.
Cuddy, pour me a shot of that Rooster Roll.
Nawezi nsukira akantu ka Rooster Roll n'akayoga baragasuka.
So, you got the J.U. Ice. I'll say that for you. Where's your road dog, Mr. Jiu-Jitsu?
Mr. Jiu-Jitsu ari he? Jiu-Jitsu ni tekinike y'amaninja.
So he left you hold.
Kazi ka munani.
Good song.
Agusigira ibikapu niko mbicika.
Don't you ever listen.
Agujya wumva. Nena kubwiye ngo nugaruke hano ni Tommy.
See, man, Tommy, he lied to me, man. He said that you were dead. I mean, you look kind of fucked.
Tommy yarambeshyera yarambwiye ko mwapfuye.
You don't look dead to me.
None ndabona utarapfuye.
Tommy's defense.
No kubera Tommy yandwanyeho. Nabundi nari kuba narapfuye.
So you're giving a ball there.
Bize ngo uri guhumeka umwuka w'umutizanye. Cyasuri uri mu minsi y'inyongezo.
Molly. Return your brother's bounty, right?
Uzane amafaranga y'umuvandimwe wawe.
Vic, you let
utanyishyura ngo ufate Tommy, usohoke tugende.
How's that sound, Holmes?
Urabyumva ute?
Come on, Tommy, you okay? Get up.
Tommy, ngero tugende.
Get up, let's go. Cuddy, shoot Tommy if you move.
Tommy nahaguruka umurasi. Tommy bamubuza guhaguruka.
A question, so.
Kangubaza ikibazo su.
That you would ever be walking out of here.
Ese kuko waje utekereza kuri busohoke? Ibaza ariko.
Felix, get my fucking dough.
Felix, nzanira ayo mafaranga yanjye. Numufunga ariko nikaba wise nagaba wise amafaranga. Kura yimbunda.
Don't you fuck him.
Muva muri.
Or I will blow her fuck.
Igikobwa kirano bakita Felix. Cyase Felix nyine. Felix ku cya mitsingi.
Go you fucking wanted. Let me and Tommy go. Real simple. Yeah.
Reka Tom agenda sohoke ni ibintu byoroshye.
Think I give a fuck?
Nushaka urasiyo bitch ntabwo mbyitayeho.
No offense, Felix.
If you guys have a clean shot, shoot this.
Nimba muri kumubona ariko mwamurashe. Mvi ninja.
You just put your money on the wrong color, so.
Fuck you, I'll do it. Fuck you, stay back, you motherfucker.
Usubire nyuma cyawe muginga murasi Felix.
Stay back.
Felix akuruka akaruka amashanyarazi ke.
Go ahead.
Gira. Felix. Yo. Zehe. Ze! Kura amenyo. Ze bamukuye amenyo. Do. Niko.
You really are a gangster, aren't you?
Ariko uri gangster. Baramukome. Cyari mu kabari. Sore bamufashe.
Big Bo, hold that for me, would you?
Big Bo mfasha gutya. Ni Big Bo.
So that must have hurt, man.
So menye wababaye cyane.
Women, it's like they always go for our nuts. I know. You do know what's gonna happen next, though, eh?
Wabuze ikintu bagiye gukorera gikurikiye.
You got pretty good idea.
Mfite igitekerezo cyiza.
You may be a little scared.
Ufite ubwoba ariko.
Yeah.
Yego.
Actually, I am.
Ubwoba ndabufite.
Oh, man, that's honesty.
Yavugishije ukuri.
I like that.
Ndabikunze kuvugishije ukuri. Ntabwo bisobanuka ko babari ariko n'ururara rw'urusaza.
The boss has set my boys out to die.
Bari boss umuvandimwe yari yatumye abahungu banjye ngo bapfe. Ntabwo nari kumubabarira.
Yes.
Yego.
I shot that piece of shit, brother.
Umuvandimwe wawe ni njye wamwirasiye. Ndetse n'ubu nabisubiramo.
Business.
Ntabwo byari bikiri akazi.
Because he was an evil piece of shit.
Umuvandimwe namurashe kuko yari sekibi. Akabakwereka uko byagenze.
But after all the years, you walked the line for me.
Muzehe niwe wandasiye umuvandimwe burya.
Tell me the truth.
Bwa nyuma nanjye mubwije ukuri.
But about murdering my brother.
Cyerekeranye n'urupfu rw'umuvandimwe wanjye.
That's you. Let him walk out.
Ninjye ushaka reka suwave anagende.
I always knew that it was you.
Iteka nari mbizi ko ari we wamurashe.
Watching him suffer.
Ugiye kubabara n'uriya umubona ababara.
Cuddy, hold that.
Fasha gutya.
You see this black beauty right here?
None mukobwa ubona w'umwirabura.
Trained in the school for the Americans.
Yize mu kigo cy'abanyamerika.
Devious motherfucker.
Kigamo abantu babi cyane.
And do fucked up shit.
Ni ikigo bigishirizamo abantu gutoteza abantu n'iyicarubozo. Icyo kigo nicyo yaminujemo.
Loves to torture.
Uyu mukobwa akunda kwicuruboza abantu no kubatoteza. Yagasani. We, umukobwa uri hano ngo yaminuje muri kaminuza yigisha iby'itoteza. Afata insinga, urebe kaminuza n'amashuri yize ibyo bikora. Afata insinga dore ahantu yamanuye, hasi hariya, acomekaho insinga za electrogaz hasi, afatisha no ku mano.
You feel exhausting?
Tamira none icyo giti kugira ngo atadusakuriza, bamutamika igiti adasakuza.
Tonga, bite the wood, motherfucker.
Mukobwa aramutuka atamira icyo giti.
Good telephone. They use it on unruly prisoners back in the old South.
Yeah.
Distance phone call. That's how they phrased it. Baby girl.
Katorori.
Light 'em up!
Yeah. Hey. Sori baramushiririza hasi hariya no kwino. Umugabo yahise amenya apfa. Nicara ubuzu uyu mukobwa ngo nibyo yigiye yaraminuje. Nibitseho impamya bumenyi Minerivare yo mu rugo niyayi. Ibaze nk'ababyeyi baba baramwohereje muri iyo kaminuza.
Yes, suffer.
Yeah. Kubita ikindi gishinge. Iyo ugiye gupfa bagukubita ikindi gishinge cya adrenaline ukayitongera ugakanguka.
2
kabiri
1
rimwe bakongera bakagukangura. Ayandi magambo ni ukukwica waba ugiye gupfa uri kugenda bakakuzura bakongera bakakwica bakuzura bakwica bakuzura. Urumva urwego ibintu bimaze kugeraho. Baby girl.
Not long this is
ongera utwike.
To do that even.
Mwana mwibikora.
Light 'em up.
Yeah, ko kanya batarongera. Arwinchi. Ukiri mu nda zanyu hasi nona. Nona.
Oh shit.
Ske.
Fucking jujitsu, I was telling you.
Wa mujinga jujitsu navugaga. Bamwita jujitsu kubera ari indwanyi cyane, bamwitira tekinike y'amaninja bita jujitsu.
Don't want to hurt anyone. Just want the money. Bitch in the purple. Get over.
Kumbe yazanye na babandi bakorera wa mugore twabonye Maurice. Twe turashaka umufungo nta kindi.
Alright, you two in the back. Untie them, both of them. Untie them now. I'm not fucking about.
I will shoot you.
Think I get a shot before? Places and faces, motherfucker. I'll find you. Gonna turn around at 6'5".
Amwaje hose nazababona nababonye amasura.
Bang bang.
Shut the fuck up and
funga umunwa ariko.
Man, shoot that bitch.
That's it, bitch. Tarara sana. Masas. Fire. Hey. Munyubako. Masas. Muzehe. Yarashe Tommy. Tommy baje gutabara. Dore ngararaswa. Yeah. Masas. Tommy ararashwe. Yeah. Masas. Hey. Fanu ugende golden boy kuba mwita. Ndagukura hano mwana. Ndagukura hano. Kobwa. Hey. Felix. Yeah. Fanu ugende.
Hey, go. Let it turn down if I fucking have to. Then come on this way. Fucking.
Fata amafaranga yakure hano ugende. Tommy baje gutabara nuko yapfuye. Uyu yari yanze kumutererana nk'iniga ye yamubaye hafi avuga ati shumi yanjye sinayitererana. Atorori. Hey. Masas. Yeah. Yeah. Bize bite. Rabizi twagiye. Masasu. Mu nyubako barapfa umufungo. Hey. Fire. Yeah. Yarabireba zakurino. Byakomeye. Fatira imbunda arababona. Bona ikishe Tommy hakurya. Kivayo. Arananiwe. Kura y'imbunda. Gikobwa kivayo. Uyafata umufunga ari manukira. Fasha umufunga ari manukira nagusiga umufunga inyuma. Hey. Use wabujyanye. Wabumanutse ibaze kumanuka nta mufunga umanukanye. Yakurebeye ikigori cye. Sasu. Sasu. Mori. Uko byagenze. Yeah. Felix uyu ngo yaraminuje. hey ni ninja yaminuje mu bugome umusa tumanuke turori ikikobwa kiri hano kitaragira turore masasu hey abana abasore ba Maurice abasore ba Maurice hey fire hey bacho yeah bano nuko basotse kwabwira hano yigiza kara kajaye sasu bano nuko bavuyeyo torore ko kanya ruparitsa ni Maurice yes Chris French wakoze ibiki yagiye gutabaza wahoze ari sheri man twumvikanye kari bugutabare nshira modoka mwe bayiro bishyuza ngo yahoze ari sheri we kera nas fakuza nyine yeah uko bamanutse yeah uko bimanukiye datinze cyagomba gukorwa no kujya gushyingura Tommy cyase Thomas.
I'm thinking maybe I'm gonna head back towards Vegas.
Nabizi ngiye gusubira Las Vegas.
Man, what can I tell you? We're getting along these days. Can you mention?
Why she mellow with age then?
Yeah, maybe she has. Maybe she has.
Subire no kureba uriya mugore uyu wagiye kureba uriya mugore yasubira Las Vegas.
Is it it's time I bring a little balance into my life, yeah?
Ungiye kora ko naza n'uburinganire mu buzima bwanjye mbega tuza bari hamwe.
Did it too with Tommy, mate.
It's okay, French. You don't need to apologize.
Meze soft French namuvuye gusaba imbabazi.
Not your fault, right? We did the best we could, Tommy.
Sana ubwo byabaye yapfuye twakuze uko dushoboye.
By the way, you remember what I said about me and Tommy?
Urebe icyo nakubwiye hati yanjye na Tommy?
We go way back, you know.
Je na urabizi twari ibyo twanyuranyemo na Tommy.
Together, but me and him never went through what you and I
ariko
went.
ibyo twanyuranyemo ntago birenze ibyo nanyuranyemo nawe.
Anything you want, anytime, anywhere.
Aho wankenerera igihe icyo ari cyo cyose wankenerera zaba mpari ku bwawe uzampamagare.
It's funny you should say that actually because
birasekeje ko bivuze kuko
in phone call this morning from my old boss.
hari umwe mu bakire banjye ba kera wamamagaye uyu munsi
We're gigging the East Coast and
muri East Coast ngo hari akazi kadutegereje.
I'm head out there.
Hano bari muri West Coast ngo muri East Coast ngo babahamagaye.
You didn't have to take me up on it so quick, French.
Mane birihuse cyane kuhita unjyana mu kandi kazi.
East Coast, you know, it's cold.
Urabizi muri East Coast harakonja kandi ashaje.
Vegas.
Nyeneye kujya Vegas hashyushyemo. Ndashaje nyine ahantu hashyushye.
Hey mate, yeah? Come on.
Security or collection?
More like collection, I think.
Yeah, mbega n'uburyo bwo kwishyuza n'ubundi tugiyemo.
And told me he hates the job.
I do.
Warambwiye ngo wanga akazi.
It's like you said.
Ntabwo uzi ibyo wambwiye.
Pretty good at it.
Wambwiye ko akazi ngashoboye neza cyane.
But you think you're getting too old for it?
Se nimba wumva ushaje akazi utagashobora. Yabizi.
I'm good.
Meze neza. Koko akazi barakemeye.
Self, old man.
Sawa muzee. Akazi barakemeye. Wibuke iki ni igice cya kabiri. Ubwo igice cya gatatu nimba bazabagiye kwishyuza hehe. Ubwo nacyo ni kiza bazatu. Mwana waguze akamodoka kandi. Kuko amafaranga nibo bayatwaye yose.
It's a small block.
Uyu mugabo amwoko y'imodoka bayazi mwana. Iyi modoka ni AMX mwana.
Jesus, French, this is beautiful.
Mwana imodoka ni ziza French.
Maybe you meet and greet never heard.
Abonye akamodoka keza n'ubwa mbere mubonye mu modoka nziza kuva yamumenye.
May I?
Yeah. Mwana ari kanwareho amuha kontaki. Kanyitwareho umwana nawe utware hari.
You're right.
Musaza kunda amamodoka yese yakumunyenga.
I'm rubbing off on you a little bit, yeah? A little bit.
Yeah. Zinjiye imodoka. Abana bafashe inzira berekere akabakitaga debt collectors. Bumvaga bamwita Rocky ndetse na plaque yanditseho kariba arabishyuzi. Nabapesesha. Muzedura kirye rikaba nariho. Kahita funga n'isambusa. Igice cya gatatu nikiza nzababwira. United yari kazanye zikomeje kubagezaho filime n'aba DJ mwese muri ndetse na Rock Entertainment. Imana bo mugisha ngo filime nyinshi n'amaseri mutabonye iki cyumweru nayo icyumweru gitaha. Ciao ciao. Mwibutse wazireba ku gasobanuye 250.com. Ciao ciao.
New Class Car Wash, iki nicyo kinamba cya mbere muri Kigali mu koza imodoka mu buryo bugezweho, modern car washing. Dukoresha machine kabuhariwe nka high pressure machine, polishing machine, high pressure steam machine n'izindi nyinshi. Imodoka yazirabutswe isohoka irabagirana. Kuri za moteri ho umurabyo uratinda, turazoza zigasubira ibushya. By'akarusho kandi dusimoniza irangi ry'imodoka igasubira n'ubwiza bwayo. Kuri wowe ufite amatapi yaba yo mu nzu, New Class Car Wash niyo gisubizo. Ku bindi bisobanuro mwadusanga i Remera ku Gisimenti ku muhanda wa KG 176 ku gipangu cya 27. Kuri telefoni waduhamagara kuri 0788 506 338. New Class Car Wash.